before your lordship, but on that day it was withdrawn, your lordship.
Withdrawn?
That matter, your lordship.
On
tomorrow, your lordship.
Next week.
Probably.
Next week.
But tomorrow, because your lordship on 12 is the date for compliance of that order, your lordship. Therefore, only your lordship on tomorrow, your lordship.
Tomorrow not possible.
Tomorrow, because on 12 is the next date, your lordship, for
Oh,
compliance.
what compliance?
Compliance is interim order to the effect of recounting of vote has been passed, your lordship. And 12 is the date for compliance of that order. And this
So
letter.
what? You are for the petitioner?
Yes. This letter was listed on 8, your lordship. On that day, it was withdrawn, your lordship, for improper implement of the parties.
Okay.
Public. Wait to mention item number 48. I wrongly listed to the matter. This shall give
48.
come before appropriate bench.
48.
Wrongly listed to the.
Only listed means what? Why?
I is for correction of order. This shall come before Honorable Justice Mr. Soumitra Surya. This shall come before court number 7.
Then why not review? Why IA?
For correction of order.
Therefore, it's a review. Anyway, mister,
It was a typing mistake.
that's why it's a ground for review only, not IA. If it's a typographical mistake,
IA file.
anyway, on the prayer of Mr.
And J meeting.
J. Mehdi, learned counsel for the applicant, list this matter before the appropriate bench.
Deeply obliged. Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, in today's item number 56, my lord, we have filed one additional affidavit to bring on record one document. It was inadvertently left out while filing the writ petition.
What is this?
Item 56, my lord. We have filed one additional affidavit to bring on record one document which was left out, my lord, while filing the writ petition. So kindly it may be called for.
Please.
The lordship, on the lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, lordship. Maybe adjourn for a week, lordship. 11. So matter may be adjourned for a week.
Item 11.
Yes, lordship.
Yes. What do you want?
Matter may be adjourned for a week.
On the prayer of Mr.
S.A.
MS. Huh?
S.A. Khalifa.
S.A. Khalifa, learn counsel for the list this matter after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? I am here to mention item number 43. I need accommodation after 2 weeks.
43.
My lordship.
This for orders. Why this has been? You are for?
N.K. Morris.
You are for petitioner. Your name, please.
Sujata Das. N.K. Mori is my senior. Sujata Das.
On the prayer, Miss M.S. Susat S. Das.
Yes.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. N.K. Muri, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, item number 27. With due permission from the respondent, yesterday I submitted the adjournment list for today.
On the prayer of Mr. M.S.
K. Das?
Your K. Das.
Yes, sir.
K. Das, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
J.D. Count.
J.D. Count, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks.
3
weeks.
I am for the response.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Mr. P. Hazrika, learned counsel for response number 3. 2 and 3 is present.
Public.
Publish.
So I think to mention for listing of 2 cases. 2 cases for listing.
All matter.
All matter.
What is the urgency?
Urgency lordship matter relates to non-payment of land acquisition compensation.
After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you give that date. Mention memo in your you mention that date. After 2 weeks.
Before vacation lordship.
After 2 weeks, whatever is there.
May it please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of an IA for correction of typographic error.
Order of this court.
Yes.
Order of this court. Yes.
Tomorrow, lordship.
Not tomorrow. Friday.
Okay.
I beg to mention item number 6, 12, and 14 and 16. Your Lordship, in a senior citizenship, my learned counsel is sick and unable to come.
6,
12, 14, and 16.
14 and
16.
same matter.
Yes.
Hmm. On the ground, Mr.
Are kneeling.
Arneli,
behalf of
learned
NH
counsel for
Mazharboya.
petitioner submitted, leading counsel Mr. NH Mazharboya, learned counsel for the petition. Learned counsel is indisposed today, therefore praise for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Praise allowed this after 2 weeks. Same orders. 6, 14 and 16.
6, 12, 14, and 16.
6, 12, 14 and 16. Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, my lord, one outstate counsel, Mr. Arnab Chakraborty, he is engaged, my lord. He over telephone that he informed that my lord, he is not well. So.
On the ground that Mr. A. Chakraborty,
Yes, Chakraborty, my
learned
lord.
counsel for the petitioner is indisposed, Mr.
K. Boisha, my lord.
K. Boshi, learned counsel praised for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
My
Mr.
lord, only one prayer, my, in my lord, earlier occasion, there is an interim state that may be to the next state, my lord.
Mr. K. Esika, learned counsel for the learned standing counsel or GST is present. Praise the list after
Public.
2 weeks. Interim
My lord,
interim
one
order
date may
passed
be-
earlier still continue.
My lord, a date may be fixed, my lord.
Why?
My lord, because he is from outside, my lord, it is easier to make his tickets and all, my lord.
This is a fixed matter.
Oh, yes, my lord.
Then-
My lord, because of his, my lord, ill health, my lord, he is not able.
Yes, after 2 weeks, give that in.
25, my lord. Can it be, my lord, 24th, my lord?
25.
Twenty-
Not always at your convenient.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I have already filed the amended cost in my lord.
Ah,
There is my lord that son of the petitioner died due to electric shock, therefore
Ah.
I filed for ex gratia under the scheme, my lord.
ah.
Earlier occasion, I have taken
Well,
time.
issue notice.
It is noticed.
Lordship,
Well, issue notice.
Lordship, Chief Electrical Inspector is not made a party. He has to file an IA for making him a party respondent. Yet not made it, file an
Is file an amended cost letter.
only amended, but he has to file a IA first. Lordship.
You file an IA, you'll allow the implement.
Thereafter, amended.
I have already filed the amended cost my lord.
No, that you cannot be. You have to first, we have to allow for implement. Then only amendment will be, you have to file. All right. All right.
All right, but the amended cost title is.
Amended cost directly is only until it is permitted. Order to implement. Unless you are allowed to implement, because it's already pending. I mean, you have already filed a writ petition. Or in that case, you withdraw and file a fresh petition. There's no bar also. There's no limitation also. Do it better. Instead of making the petition, yes, mister. Instead of making the petition clumsy,
But
withdraw and file it, fresh file it.
no matter, I will file the IA, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. G. Ahmed, learned counsel petitioner submits that he may be allowed to file an application for implement of the necessary parties, Mr. Parties, therefore, praise for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Praise allowed, list the matter after 2 weeks. Mr. S.S. Roy, learned State Council is present.
Item number 3.
Please, your lordship.
Hmm.
I'm appearing for the respondent number 1 and 2. My learned counsel will be appear. I need some time being.
Actually, they were to bring some instructions.
Yes.
He was supposed to put the matter may be passed over for time being.
He's on his way.
On his way. He's on his way. He will appear.
After some time.
Let's-
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner was appointed on 1/3/1995 on compassionate ground, however, on workshop basis wrongly. Thereafter, after running from pillar to post civil representation, he ultimately moved to honorable court. The honorable court, by an order dated at page 25, directed that to regularize the services. Consequently, at page 27, the petitioner services were regularized from the date of initial
Which
appointment.
one? Which one? Item? Item? Item 4. You are in item 5, it's item 4.
Deep level, five.
Yes.
Item, sorry.
Item 4, who is item 4? Who is item?
I put item 4 on. Item
Any instruction?
Lordship.
What is the instruction? Non appears for the petitioner on call.
The proposal was sent to the finance department, Lordship. The same was rejected on the ground of non-availability of the budget. Lordship, the proposal was sent to the finance department, Lordship, but the same was rejected on the ground of non-availability of the budget. Same will be considered in the next budget.
Our finance department rejected the selling clause on so and so. Citing remark, department's request to move FOC proposal in next financial subject to budget availability. So what we will do? You bring on record. Not appears for the petition on call. Pursuant to the order dated 29/05/2026, whereby this court has directed the standing council, Panchayat, PNR, to obtain instruction as regards as to whether any financial sanction towards ex gratia has been accorded or not. And if not, within what time the financial sanction is likely to be accorded. Stuff. MS Bora. Huh? P. Napa. Learn council. You are standing council.
N for
Where is N Bora?
the license member.
So casual. Appearing on behalf of Mr. N Bora.
Please N.
MS N Bora, London Standing Council, PNR, submits by placing the copy of the instructions, submits that the finance department has rejected the selling proposal on 31/03/2026 and requested the department to move FOC proposal in the next financial year, subject to budget availability and compliance with the DFPR 2022. This is in view of then the standing council so and so to file to bring on record the instruction by an affidavit. This after 3 weeks.
Okay.
Date, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I put the challenge notification number 56 of 2023, my lord. There were timely for issuance of order has been extended. The issue is pending before the Honorable Apex Court as well before this division bench of the Honorable Court. I am relying upon judgment of Your Lordship. Your Lordship has passed similar order, my lord.
What similar order is?
Regarding my lord, notification 56, the notification was set aside by its honorable court, my lord. Now the issue has gone to Supreme Court.
You are challenging the
Notification.
notification of the
Madam.
ministry.
Madam.
Same.
Same, my lord. Financial is different, my lord. In this case, the financial involved is 2018-19, my lord.
Hmm?
Financial year involved is 2018-2019, my lord, financial year. '77 is the notification, my lord.
Or Mr. R.S. Mr.
Madam.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Will issue notice?
Not
Challenge made in this writ petition is to the summary of so-called notice in the form of GST DRC -01 dated 06/12/2023. And the order dated and the consequential order dated 29/04/2025. By which a demand of rupees 2,17,91,422 on the petitioner. For the financial year 2018 to 2019. What is that order?
my lord, your lordship will find
29/4
page 78, my lord.
78. On the so and so is demanded and raised, is demanded and raised. Next period, the petitioner also challenges the notification dated 31/03/2024.
My lord, T8 12/2023, my lord.
Huh?
My lord is page 77, my lord.
Which one?
Page 77,
Which one?
my lord.
Notification of the
Notification.
central government,
Central government, page 77, my lord.
77. 2023.
My lord.
Passed by the Director, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue, Government of India. Extending the time limit for recovery of tax not paid or short paid or of input tax wrongly availed or utilized on the ground that there was
No
no
recommendation.
force measure.
First measure as well as recommendation of the council.
Force measure as well. There is no recommendation of the council,
GST
GST council as well as
Force measure.
No, first measure. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You are appearing for all? No.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Union of India is there. Mr. Who else are appearing? All of
State lordship.
State GST was appearing. My copy was served.
state?
The CP Gover's name may be recorded.
Union also you are appearing.
Lordship, I can, because he's material to direct tax.
Yes, who is appearing for the state?
The BP Gover's name may be.
Huh?
BP Gover's name may be recorded. B Gogol.
D. Gogoi.
B.
B. Gogoi has. No, B. Gogoi is the petitioner in some similar matter against the Union of India.
Yes, sir. No, B Chaudhary's name may be recorded.
B. Chaudhary. As Mr. You just inform him, give a copy to him. Have you served the copy?
Yes, the name has been shown, madam.
As Mr. S. C. Learned Senior Counsel, Commissioning Counsel, CGST, and Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel for Finance and Taxation. Finance and Taxation Department for the State of Government of Assam. Enters appearance access notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be sent. However, extra copies may have. Then. Right. Considering that the similar, considering that this court has already passed an entry order on consideration of the fact that a similar matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court, as well as before the division bench of this court, till returnable date, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner.
Mr. Blackwood.
Sentence only na garbaded the last one usko pura.
I don't know, 7.
Yeah, just wait. Demand and order I order to director, the notification is director na issue that. But the demand and order, summary demand, the so-called was by the what they claim. Yes.
Again, challenging my lord, the form DRC 01, my lord, as there was no so-called notice, only form DRC 01 was issued, my lord. Lordship will find it, page 35 is the form DRC, summary of so-called, my lord, form DRC 01.
97,000.
Yes, my lord.
Order also.
Yes, my lord.
Page.
Lordship will find it, page 41 is the order. Basically, a requirement is that there has to be so-called notice, and my lord,
Summary.
summary of page 35, my lord.
Order is.
Order is my lord, page 41.
Page 37 is the summary.
35 is the summary. Annexure D.
Heard Mr. R.S. Will issue notice.
But
Apparently no notice was issued.
well, I can have a short instruction on that point, because there is a covered order of this honorable court where a series of writ petition was disposed of, directing the authorities to first issue a so cause under 73 or 74(1). Thereafter to issue the DRC 1 notification, so cause at page 35. So
Heard
his
Miss-
plea is that, my lord, that so cause has not been issued.
Then obtain instruction.
Yeah,
We'll fix after 2 weeks.
My lord, that will be after 2 weeks.
Heard Mr.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
R.S. Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the summary of so-called notice dated 26/10/2023.
My lord.
Why so late?
Actually, so it was uploaded in the portal, my lord. It's stick our notice, my lord.
filed by the Assistant Commissioner of State Tax, Gauhati, as well as, and the summary of order.
It is order, my lord, not summary.
It's order only.
Only order only.
Order dated
33.
30/03/2024. The consequential order dated 30/0/2024. 30/003, 30/03/2024. Passed by the. Then you said before this summary as well, last Assistant Commissioners State Tax Science, by which an amount of rupees 97,360 is raised on the petitioner for the financial year 2017 to 2018 without on the ground that said summary of so-cause as well as the order is have been passed without issuing notice as mandatorily required under section 73.
Subsection 1.
Subsection 73(1) within bracket 1 of.
It's 74, my
It will
lord.
be 74.
74, in this case,
74 1.
No. Notice is required under 73.
No, 74 also it is required, 73 also
also
required. Here is the proceeding under 74. So it will be
And
74
then
1.
they said 73(1) and 74 of GST Act 2017. List of considering the issue raised in this petition to the effect that no so-called notice was issued to the petitioner as required under the law. Mr. Bigo, Standing Counsel, Finance and Taxation Department is directed to obtain instruction list after 2 weeks.
Until then, they should not take any corrective action, my lord.
Huh?
Till then, they should not take any corrective action, my lord.
It's okay, 2 weeks will.
That's public.
Item number 8.
Now, it is GST cancellation, my lord.
Hmm.
It's covered by lordship's order, my lord.
Agree. Dispose. And Mr. Ernest Swenson, as well as Mr. Swenson. You provide, you have annexed it.
No, I have the, my lord, provided.
Huh?
I am providing act now, my lord. Deeply obliged. Lordship.
Dispose of.
Number 9.
Wait, please, your lordship. Your lordship, the conducting counsel is on his way. Kindly matter may be timing for some time. My lord.
What is the matter?
Matter pertains to a Nigerian lady who was in detention after she has completed her sentence for deportation of the case, your lordship.
We'll ask them, obtain instruction.
Your lordship, he has some more facts which he would like to bring before the.
It's okay, we'll ask them to obtain instruction. Facts remains that you have completed, the petitioner has completed the
Sentence, your lordship.
sentence.
Sentence, your lordship.
All right.
This may be issued.
I was.
No notice, you obtain instruction. Hmm? Heard Mr.
TL Oscar, your lordship.
TL
Oscar.
Laskar,
Yeah.
learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this petition, the petitioner as petitioner, a foreign national and citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, prays for a direction to the respondents to deport her to deport the petitioner to her home country, i.e. Federal Republic of Nigeria. Next para. It is the contention of the it is the case of the petitioner that she was detained on 09/08/2023. By officials of the Bureau of Immigration at LGB International Airport, Gauhati, on arriving on a flight from Delhi. Thereafter, a PS case, thereafter, Azara PS case number 155/22 was registered. On completion of the investigation and filing of charge sheet, the case being PRC number 456 of 2024 was registered. List of after the conclusion of the trial, the learned trial court by judgment and order dated 04/04/2025 convicted her under section 471 IPC, read with section 14 of Foreigners Act 1946. Thereby sentence her to undergo simple imprisonment for a period of 3 years with a fine of rupees 5,000 with default stipulation. It is contended that the petitioner has already completed her sentence on 17/09/2025. However, instead of deporting her in terms of the judgment of conviction and sentence, the petitioner was transferred to Matia Holding Center, Golfara on 17/09/2025, wherein she stated to be continued. She is stated to remain detained without any pending criminal proceedings, criminal case proceedings against her. Mr. Considering that the petitioner appears to have completed the sentence on (17/09/2025) and continue to remain in detention. Come on, Mr.
I'll take my KK Parasar, correspondent number 1 and 2.
AK Professor Learner CGC. Correspondent number
1 and 2, madam.
1 and 2, as well as Mr. SK Hazrika, Learned State Council for respondent number 3. You are 1 and 2.
Madam.
3. Directed to obtain instruction. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Madam.
Your Lordship,
On date maybe fix.
already 276 days in illegal detention. Your
2
Lordship.
weeks, that's why. 2 weeks.
Next week, Your Lordship, any day.
Huh?
Instructions basically. Your Lordship.
On 24th June.
On 24th.
Problem.
After 2 weeks, on 24/6/2025. Yes.
Take your best.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, for protection of ancient monuments and sites, Your Lordship, an act has been enacted, namely the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites.
Any order passed for
Your
eviction?
Lordship.
Any order passed?
No. So, Your Lordship, 1958, and which has been amended in 2010. As per this Act, Section 20A, it defines the protected area, which is 100-meter radius from the ancient monuments. So, in protected area, nobody can make any construction. And beyond 100, Your Lordship, up to 200-meter radius has been defined as regulated area under Section 20B. In the regulated area, one can make construction, but with the prior permission of the Archaeological Survey of India Department, Your Lordship. Our case is that our lands are situated beyond the 300 meter, your lordship. And our house was constructed in 1956,
208,
lordship, in 1956, before the enactment of the.
So
land.
how you are aggrieved?
Agree with your lordship, they have implanted a signboard notifying that this is the regulated area without any survey from the local revenue officials, your lordship. So if our lands fall under the regulated area, we'll have to take prior permission, and that is a long, lengthy process. Our house was constructed in 1956, 70 years old house, and almost in dilapidated condition, your lordship. So we are not able to repair our house. Otherwise, it is going to be collapsed, your lordship. 70 years, already dilapidated condition, your lordship. So my limited prayer is that let there be a survey. If it falls within the regulated area, we have no case. And if our land is situated beyond the regulated area, then they should not make any objection to our renovation, your lordship. This is my prayer.
Claims to be aggrieved of. The claims to be the aggrieved of the action of the respondent authorities in putting two numbers of signboard of Archaeological Survey of India of Kachari ruins beyond the prescribed protected public regulated area of Kashipur,
Kashpur,
Kachari ruins from the east wall notifying the area as regulated area. This petition is instituted claiming that the petitioners are residing. They are claiming that the petitioners' land and their house structures situated beyond the 300
100 plus 200.
200 meters away from the
East wall.
east wall of the said Kachari ruins. List of the petitioner contains that petitioners
Yes,
petitioners
petitioners.
that they have constructed their residential houses in the year 1956, which is in the present location over the land which is outside the Kashpur Kachari ruins. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Appearing who and sir appear all.
1, 2,
1
3
to
and
4.
4. I have been for 1, 2, 3 and 4.
4.
5 and 6 as Mr.
Revenue Department.
UK Goswami learned CJC
Follow.
and Mr. SKRC learned State Council as well as MS. You are also appearing. Enters appearance accept notice on the no formal notice. Have extra copies be shown. List after 4 weeks.
Your lordship, one thing, your lordship, our house is in such a condition, it
We'll
may
see.
collapse.
We'll
Your lordship.
We'll see.
So some urgent repairing,
Extra copy.
because it may collapse.
See,
70 years old.
unless we determine, we cannot
Yes,
allow
yes.
it to construct.
No, after.
How old you are?
Your lordship,
How old you are?
70 years old houses.
You are petitioner, sir?
Petitioners, they are of different ages. They are the
You have constructed the house in 1956.
56.
You.
We have inherited the house.
You
No,
have constructed.
no, our ancestor, or father. No.
Yes, next.
13.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, my current account has been frozen since October 2024, lordship.
Huh?
My current bank account has been frozen since October 2024, your lordship, pursuant to some cybercrime complaint. However, I have not been given any notice, your lordship, and still my account is stands to be frozen. I have an available balance of, your lordship, more than 5 lakh rupees, and because of a disputed amount of, your lordship, only 2600, lordship, I have not been able to operate my account, your lordship.
Heard, Mr.
E dekha, lordship.
K. Dekalan, counsel for the petitioner. Next para. The petitioner is agreed by the action of the respondent bank in freezing the account of the petitioner. Being SIB, which account?
It's a Bandhan Bank account, current account, your lordship.
Being current account number?
Lordship, it's 20, it's in the 201 000
Where do you get it?
in the prayer, your lordship, you have mentioned. In the petition, your lordship, para number 5, your lordship, page number 3.
Two zero one triple zero two 9964940 at Bandhan Bank, Tati Kata branch, Moirabari, Morigaon, Assam. What is it? Page 5, you take it, huh? Number you take it, huh? List of the bank account of the petitioner. Has been frozen on the cyber fraud complaints involving disputed amounts, involving fraudulent transaction of rupees 1,800 and 812, which has been registered on the National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You'll have to take a steps for all. Then counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service and notice of all the response by registered post as well as by usual process within 2 working days. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Returnable by 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes.
Well, here, my lord, the second phase of the Assam Malla Road project, my lord. Paragraph 4, your lordship will see, paragraph 4. This was initiated, my lord, from May, 3rd week of May, my lord. Your lordship will find to page 9.
What do you want? We'll issue notice, that's all.
Lordship will issue notice, my lord, the clause 4, page 121 of notification that has been violated, my lord.
Huh?
Clause 4 of page 121. There is a notification whereby they have to make an assessment survey, my lord. Page 121, lordship. And clause 4 is page 123, my lord. 4.7, my lord. Specific statutory, my lord, direction, my lord, they have to do it by making an assessment survey.
Heard, Mr.
Which has not been done, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
B. Borwa, my lord.
B. Borwa, land counsel for the petitioner. What is this?
Lordship, on consideration of the representation submitted by the petitioners, a joint spot verification has been directed to the officials of the revenue as well as federal officials, and they have conducted a joint verification yesterday, Lordship, and they have to submit the report. Let the report be submitted on the meantime.
After filing writ petition, hurriedly they issued this.
It's
yesterday.
okay. If they have done, they are doing it. Why
Let
unnecessary?
them do as per the notification.
On
my lord.
consideration of the
They are doing a
representation.
traditional way, my lord. My submission as per notification.
Verify standard claims of petitioner, visit the spot and require the matter and details, conceal official pay the upload duties and contractor engagement.
And submit a report.
And submit your joint report to. They are taking action.
I'm not denying, my lord. What they did, my lord, yesterday they came to know, and after filing this
So it's okay, very good. It's very good.
only lordship I'm referring to page 123.
It's all right. I've understood.
Yes, let
You
them-
want that they should follow the notification. They'll definitely follow. They are taking action
They
on
are
your
doing it-
representation.
They are doing it traditional way. In that-
Doesn't matter. How do you know?
No, because earlier
You
also,
and always, if they come up with the, if they concluded the proceedings,
yes, lordship will be.
proceeding, you can come back again.
Lordship will direct them to produce.
No,
the-
no, we just cannot do like that. They are taking action. When they don't take, then only you can come. Otherwise, once they have initiated action, it takes time. Have the joint verification. It's fair enough.
My service after filing, they hurriedly done this. But
Doesn't make, what do you mean? Ultimately, we'll direct them to, suppose if the writ petition allow, we'll direct them to do it. Same thing.
well, I'm only pointing to the notification, my lord, that's all.
No, pointing is what? How do you know by now? They have taken the joint verification, everything. There's steps to be taken.
Steps to be taken.
Right?
They have to
So
make a survey.
they are doing it.
Let them complete it, my lord.
Huh?
Let them complete the process.
They'll complete it. We cannot. If they don't do it, you come back. You withdraw the writ petition.
No, that is not, my lord. Let them do it, my lord.
No, we cannot. I'm sorry. They are doing it. You are doing that. You are saying that they have not done it as per the notification.
Yes.
How do you know? Prejudge now. How do you prejudge now?
No, I'm not judging, my lord. I'm saying.
Then
I'm saying.
they are saying that on your representation they have decided for joint sport verification. Ultimately, what is your claim?
I have so many prayer, lordship will issue notice.
There is no question of so many prayers. What are the prayers?
Prayer, my lord,
You cannot have all the prayers. Must have a specific prayer. Number one, you are saying that they have not done as per the notification, right?
yes.
They have said there will be a joint verification. Report will be submitted. Otherwise, how they'll decide?
Lordship will call for the report, my lord.
Why?
Otherwise, my lord.
We cannot. How can we take a ransom to the state?
No, my
You cannot take a
my right
ransom.
to the, my lord, private,
See, you have filed a representation, sir.
my lord.
They have initiated action. Let them do it. It takes time.
My claim is from 2020.
Doesn't matter today.
Lordship
whatever.
issue notice, my lord.
Huh?
Lordship issue notice. I will satisfy all.
What issue notice?
On the interim prayer, my lord. I'll say
What interim prayer?
that they should not forcibly evict us without making any assessments.
Are bhaiya, they are doing it now. They are having a joint verification. Joint verification means what? PWG, Haplong, contractor engagement, Gaupura obtain so and submit. Everything is been there.
Yesterday only my petitioners came to know, my lord. After filing, they know that, and their presence is required, my lord. That's why I'm saying lordship,
Huh?
lordship call for the report, my lord, then everything will be cleared, my lord.
Why unnecessary?
Or your lordship will issue notice, my lord, for the
No,
filing.
no. See, you want that certain steps has to be taken for your land, for acquisition of the land, right? As particularly notification 2021,
Yes,
where the guidelines has been
Yes.
laid down.
yes.
Now, on your representation, state has initiated, authorities
My
has
submission, lordship,
initiated.
My submission kindly, my lord, fairness. No such step has been taken till now, my lordship.
This is of June, 6th June
I filed it on-
2026.
I filed it on 6th of June, my
So
lord.
once you are filed, what does it make a difference?
Let them call for the assessment report, my lord.
Why?
No, they are-
Why you should?
Lordship, they are deprived, my lord, till now. my
What
lord.
deprived? They are taking initiated an action. Why
Let-
don't you
let them
understand?
do
See, what is the big deal when you file a petition?
My lord,
Ultimately, we'll
Yes.
direct them to consider whatever.
I
as
go
per
by
the law
lordship, my
only.
lord, lordship issue notice, my lord, I will satisfy.
Why you should issue notice? That is the question.
Because my lord, statutory provisions are not followed till now, my lord.
They are doing it now.
My submission not doing it, my lord.
How you do?
Because I have.
They have decided to go for joint verification.
Kindly see, lordship.
Joint verification. What
just
is the
now-
statutory provision?
Lordship, kindly see.
Where is the statutory provision? Which statutory provision has
Statutory
been
provisions,
violated?
Notification, my lord.
What notification? It's not a
Notification,
statutory provision.
And the act, my lord, act has been published by Assam government, my lord, 2022, 2015, my lord. rules.
What action they have not done?
So many things, my lord, earlier affected person, pursuant to court order, they compensated. My lord, my fair submission. I am deprived. my
It's
lord.
not fair submission, sir. I'm not happy. It's very unfair submission. When you have claimed that your representation or they have not initiated an action. Now, sooner, I mean, late, maybe of late, you are just trying to say that just after my filing, they have started initiating. It's okay.
Kindly, lordship, because you have
What does
paragraph 5, my lord, I'm not saying that, my lord, I'm saying that 2023 onwards, first phase of assessment and survey they have done, but nothing was. given
Today
to
they
us.
have decided they are going to do it now. Then
Let it be kept
what
pending,
remains there?
Let them produce.
That is the whole problem, sir. Why don't you understand?
My lord, my submission, my lord, this.
See,
my lord.
it's not only petitioner, we'll have to other side also.
No, therefore, I'm saying.
Both
my lord,
side has to be
lordship
equally.
Not pass any interim order, let.
There's
them
no question of intermediate. Notice, I'll also issue no notice is also required. See, ultimately, when you find that you have the grievance.
Lordship, kindly take their instruction, my lord. Just now I received one copy. What they have stated, my lord, let me also go, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. B. Barwa, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 4 weeks, in view of the fact that the the respondent authorities, particularly NC Hills Autonomous Council, has already initiated the process for joint spot verification on the claim of the to verify and ascertain the claims of the petitioners by by visiting the spot in consultation with the official of PWD Haplong Division, contractor engaged contractors, and in the presence of Gaubura of Tajuwari village on 9/06/2026. Mr.
3,000 lordship.
Housen Learned Council for the NC Hill,
NC Hill.
Standing Council, NC Hill Autonomous Council, with respondents, place the copy of the place the copy of the communication dated 6/06/2026, whereby which reflects that the state authorities, the respondent authorities have initiated the respondent authorities have already initiated the process for verification and ascertain the claims of the petitioners. Considering above, I am of the prime principle view that the writ petition, there's no the prime principle view that no useful purpose would be served by keeping the writ petition pending. Thus, no notice is issued at this stage. However, on the insistent prayer of Mr. Borua, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, let this matter be listed after 4 office.
Can it be on 15, my lord?
Will not fix the date also.
My lord?
Sir, you have to be very fair. Simply you are saying fairly submission. Our submission is very unfair. See, once you have filed a writ petition, it doesn't mean that it should be kept pending. This court particularly doesn't believe in a kind of making the jurisdiction of the court as a scarecrow. Right? See, I understand there may be delay. There may be delay. In not only this case, there may be delay. That we understand. But once they have initiated.
And I go by your lordship only. Lordship
Not go by only. This is something I really, not happy. Considering the seasoned lawyer like you and the status of the seasoned lawyer like you. We expect something, sir.
My lord, I go. Lordship, can you fix up?
It's not one-sided.
I
You know
don't take
that.
instruction, my lord.
Why not fixing it? After 4 weeks, it will be
After four-
listed.
Lordship,
Try to understand, sir.
my lord.
Yes.
Agree with the complete sealing of his office premises, my lord.
Hmm?
It is agree with the complete sealing of his office premises, my lord.
Hmm.
A search was conducted, my lord.
Hmm.
Seizure was made. Prohibition order was issued. The lordship will find it page 37 is the prohibition order, my lord.
Hmm.
In the prohibition order, my lord, certain items should not be detached. That order is there. Lordship will find it page 37, my lord.
Hmm.
After issuance of this order, my lord, there is no direction for sealing the office, my lord. Now lordship will see at page 43. They have sealed the complete office, my lord.
So,
They have no jurisdiction, my lord, to seal the complete office, my lord.
how?
Where is the order? But there has
Why?
to be,
Why?
my lord, lordship will see first there has to be order for sealing the office.
Hmm.
And section 67 gives them power for search and inspection, my lord.
Hmm.
Subsection 4 says, my lord, if someone restrain them from entering to the premise, then only they can do it, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, prohibition order does not contain any finding, my lord. It does not contain any direction for sealing of the office, my lord. Page 37 is the order of prohibition, my lord.
The I heard Mr. R.S. Misra, learned counsel for the petitioner, next bearer. Petitioner claims to be engaged in providing tax consultancy services
Fixing notice, my lord.
Lordship will fix for instruction because
under
otherwise,
the name and style of M.S. Sharma and Associates. Has filed this writ petition. Seeking filed these writ petitions against the sealing of his office, the sealing of the office premises after being after conducting the search proceedings. And seized documents on 01/04/2026. List of it is the contents of the petitioners that the respondent who has sealed it?
correspondent number 4, my lord. Assistant
The
Commissioner.
respondent superintendent of state or
Superintendent,
superintendent of state tax, GST intelligence and enforcement unit commissionerate of taxes, has no authority to seal the office,
Entire office, my lord.
which would be under the law. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
I have an interim prayer, my lord.
What interim prayer?
At least temporary justice allow me to operate.
Oh.
Amount of granting the final.
Yes, final
But
relief.
lordship, 2 months will pass from sealing, my lord. Nothing has been done. till that.
We'll see, and then returnable by 2 weeks.
But lordship, kindly fix.
2
that.
weeks,
Kindly wait it, my lord.
2 weeks, as Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, taxes, finance and taxation department enters appearance except notice on. You have all the response, no formal notice, we have extra copies.
Interim payment is considered on that day, my lord. If
See,
they
we'll
not-
decide, this finally.
Lordship,
Suppose
kindly-
if you interim prayer is got his right,
then
it
lordship
will be
kindly fix
granting
that date.
final.
Kindly
Then
fix
we'll
that
say
date.
that we'll direct,
Lordship, kindly fix that.
we'll
lordship.
direct them to deseal it today. Should we?
No, no, no.
Should we?
I'm just paying for date, my lord. Lordship, kindly give a date,
2 weeks, we'll see. 2 weeks.
my lord.
There must be something. Appears to be not so clean.
Reply of value.
Wait, please, your lordship, this matter is wrongly listed in bench 5, your lordship. It's a bench 4 matter.
List before appropriate bench.
Obliged, lord. But this is second round of litigation, my lord. Earlier, one direction was there to, my lord, allot 2 bighas of land, my lord.
Ah.
Already, my lord, deputy commissioner has given that
as is subdivisional land advisory committee has allotted one plot of land, my lord, and it has been sent to the higher authority. But page 55, kindly page your lordship, the deputy commissioner, my lord, directed the circle officer to hand over the possession of the land in advance, my lord.
Yes.
But what is happened, my lord? The circle officer is refused to, my lord, hand over the possession of the land. Already,
You have been allotted.
my lord, kindly page your lordship, page 55.
Have you been allotted?
No,
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 my
sir.
lord.
Then
No, approved, proposal was approved.
so you pursue that.
No, Lordship, may I kindly, the Sridhara Mala, the annexer 15, page 56.
Ah,
Because
yes.
already, my lord, that land earlier,
This land, Lordship, already, my lord, allotted to the some other, my lord.
but
Yes.
that has been already cancelled, my lord. I have
Huh?
annexed here page 40.
Cancel.
Yes, my lord.
This has been cancelled.
Yes, my lord. Kindly peruse your lordship, page, my lord, 45. Page 45. And state, my lord, SDL, my lord, committee also report also here. Just
Heard, Mr.
is thus.
It's just learned counsel for the petition. Next para. The petitioner. Who are you? Petitioners.
Petitioners, my lord.
Petitioners. An NGO,
NGO.
namely Hojai Unnayan
Mansur.
Mansha, Hojai, is agreed by the are agreed by the non-handing over of advanced possession of the land measuring 2 bigger covered by Dag number 448 of Singari Basti,
Singari Basti.
Kisham under Jose Moja to the petitioner pursuant to the order dated 29/09/2023 passed in WPC 3274 of 2022 and the order dated 21/02/2024 passed by the District Commissioner Hajoy. Please issue notice returnable by 4 weeks as Ms. MS N. Bardolo, Learned Standing Council Revenue and Disaster Management Department, and Mr. J. Hendik, Learned State Council, enters appearance except on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copies be furnished to the resident. So,
Status quo, my lord, as on with them. Interim prayer, my lord, status quo, my lord. Then notice may we go for interim prayer, my lord. Because, my lord, already land has been approved, my lord.
see, you want the land, it has not been handed over. If we
Yes.
pass status quo, they would like to hand over you in the meantime.
Yes, yes.
It against you.
Obliged.
Interim prayer is not for the sake of interim prayer.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
So the petitioners, number 1 and 2 are husband and wife.
Hmm.
My lord, they are a victim of a cyber crime, my lord. My lord, now their bank accounts, an amount of rupees 1 lakh each have been kept on hold
Hmm.
upon an FIR lodged in Maharashtra, my lord. I also approached the ombudsman of Gauhati, my lord. They also,
Where is this order?
that
Ombudsman order.
ombudsman order is at, my lord, case number 64, my lord.
Hmm. Mr. Will issue notice? SP Das Learned Council for the petition. 54, 64.
64, my lord.
The agreed by the order 64.
My lord.
Order dated?
Order dated, my lord.
What is the date of order?
Date is 4/5/2026. My lord, the order date is at page number 63. Down below, my lord, 4/5/2026. Reserve Bank.
Order
of-
dated 04/05
Hello.
2026 passed by the RBI Ombudsman,
My lord.
whereby the complaint of the petitioners dated 17/04/2026 against the State Bank of India regarding your account has been
My lord, and-
frozen.
My lord, not for the, my lord, and amount of rupees
No, no.
1.5 lakhs has
Regarding
been
opening,
kept on hold.
regarding operation of the deposit accounts being, what is saving accounts or what?
Or saving account. my lord.
Saving
Order-
accounts number?
my lord, Eight. Lord, you will find it at page number 8, my lord.
17, page
Page number
17.
8,
Three account,
my 3 account. 2 of the
A-
husband and 1 of the
ABC,
wife. my
huh?
lord.
ABC, page 17, huh? You right? SBK, and one is SBI account number. Two is SBI account and then branch also, then SDFG. Third is SBS.
That was me.
Has been rejected and closed. List of the, what is it? What is? No, initial. Enclosed. This petition is instituted. Huh? Next pillar, the bank accounts, the operation of the bank accounts of the petitioners have been put on hold.
Put on hold.
Put on hold
Amount of rupees 1.5 lakhs each.
for an amount of rupees
1 lakh.
1,50,000
1,50,000
each
each.
of the petitioners is based on the complaint.
Yes, ma'am, based on the complaint.
Complaint of
My
based on
we
the,
find it that, but that copy was not served to us also.
but then what is cybercrime?
Regarding such cybercrime has been committed upon him.
Complaint of the complaint
That's why number 24.
of cyber crimes. Complaint of involvement in the cyber crime. Huh? Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You'll have to take steps for all.
Yes, madam.
Then counsel for the petitioners to take steps for submission notice up to all the respondents. Huh? So in session.
Lordship may kindly fix a date, madam.
4 weeks. Give the date.
Leave the person.
21.
Yes.
May it please your lordship, this matter pertains to GST registration cancellation, your lordship, and it is covered by your lordship's order.
It's covered. Dr. Gogoi.
Lordship.
Let us see where it is.
We have annexed a similar order. It's in page number 75.
75.
Yes, your lord.
Them. Heard MS?
Yes, sir.
S. Circle, learn counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Dr. D. N. Gogoi, learn Mr. Standing counsel, CGST.
Lordship.
CGST. Same order. Page 75. Okay. Huh? CGST and you are? U. Borwa London, as well as Mr. Ms. U. Borwa London. CGC. Same order, page 75. Give it to Lipa. Give it to Lipa. Give it to Mr. Lipa. But you give recorded.
Supplementary motion 54.
Yes.
Okay, first is that it is a bunching of so-called, which your lordship has already given interim order. Second, lordship, because this demand from so notice is for 4 years together, 2020, 21, 22 to 24, 25. So that is one of the lordship ground on which we have challenged the notice. Second ground, lordship, which we have challenged the notice is, lordship, there is, before issuing a demand of so-called notice, under the GST Act, ASMT 10 must also be issued. Now, in this case, lordship.
It's okay, we'll issue notice. Similar matter, we have issued notice. Our MS and Havalia. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Next minute. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the demand comes so-called notice dated 14/08/2025. Read with form GST GDRC -01 dated 21/08/2025. Under section under provisions of Central Goods and Service Tax 2018 for the period 2021 to 2025. Who is the respond number 2? Passed by the Assistant Director Gauhati, Zonal Unit. Whereby what is that order? 85.
The notice and the order is the lordship at page. The similar order is at page 110.
What similar order? Page 85. Page 85, we checked it under section so and so, 74/74A, GST. Issued by the Assistant Director DGGI, Gauhati Zonal Unit. What is the total amount?
99 euro. Oh, for 4 years, it's 58 lakh 70,000. And for the 5th year of it, they have passed another this page 100, 296. So
Total amount. You tell us the total amount. 61 lakhs?
1 lakh 66.
On the petitioner demanding, demanding 66 lakhs, 60,206. Total 21 to 25 on the petitioner. On the ground that the respondent authorities in violation of the provisions of law as on the ground that no notice has been issued before initiation of the proceedings against the petitioner, and also that the respondent authority has illegally clubbed the club all the clubbing of what do you say?
Multiple use.
And illegally clubbed the assessment of multiple years, which is not permissible under the law. Where is that interim order issue notice returnable by 4 weeks?
Starts at page 109. 109, it starts page 109. That says 870 is not. 870 is not finished. What from there?
118. Huh? Who is appearing?
Was appearing for the Union of India, and we chanted is appearing for the Union of India.
Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You are appearing for?
Lordship, Union of India.
This one.
And all, you are representing all the respondents.
Only for one. Only for one.
For other notice maybe.
Only for one respondent.
Returnable as Mr. S. Roy, London CGC entries appearing respond number 1. Union of India, no formality, no. Respect of the respond number 1. Our extra copy, petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respond number 1, 2 a new entry. By the state post having considered the submissions of the counsel for the petitioner, and also considering that the prima facie, considering that prima facie, the impute demand notice appears to have been issued without complaints and the mandatory conditions prescribed under the CGST Act 2017 and CGST Rules 2017, as well as considering that similar interim order has been passed in an interim order has been passed in a similar matter, till the returnable date. What is your imprint demand so cause notice dated?
Lordship. 14/8/2020.
14/8/2025. Shall remain state. Shall remain state, huh?
And DRC 41.
NDRC.
1/8/2020.
That, yes. That earlier I've said no. NDRC dated so and so. DRC dated so and so, dated so and so. Understood? Hmm?
55.
Very close.
Yes.
Second outcome prediction.
Hmm.
First, we can do also kindly to pay the
Where's the order? Yes. Heard me in KBA. Heard Mr.
Yes, Islam.
S. Islam, Learned Council for the Capital. Mr. KBA is 10 discharge. Then, yes. Where is the order?
Yeah, this is my lord. 10 members in the government. Out of 10 members, but all that.
Where is the order?
Yes.
Impugn order.
50 starts from 58.
Hmm.
So, when we come to this public body, it is starts from page 58.
Huh?
Starts from 58.
As agreed by learned by all this court is inclined respond by directing respond to dispose of the representation on the basis of statements of what members already recorded by itself, court district commission is necessary, shall afford opinion. So, this has been complied with.
Dated 27.
It's all right. Any representation has been disposed of.
Now, yes.
You come to that. How? Where is the disposal order?
This representation. So, when they come to the entry order.
Hearing notice.
Yeah.
Page 67. Impugn order is page where?
Page 60.
Yes.
8. Also kindly see. Disposal subject. Disposal of representation dated 55/3/26.
Hmm.
This quarter court directed by the page 27/26 and 25 and 14/7/25.
This court directed?
Court directed page 58, you also find 7. 25 and 14/7/25.
27.
Yeah.
He has disposed of which or
Dispose of your can see. Dispose of representation 25/3/26. It is a
it may be a clerical mistake.
no clerk, Mr. Rao. This is a reminder. This 25 is a reminder to that petition.
But facts, the facts has been taken into account. Consider.
We have taken on the
This reminder, they have treated, sir, they have treated this 25/03/2020 as a reminder. They have treated it as a representation, the reminder.
They have not done.
But while considering your representation, the facts have been taken into consideration.
I first matter, I have made some quite a question for it. So what kindly note, 10 persons in the government. All of them attended the meeting.
According to your majority,
Madam, majority, we have 6% members, madam. We have
out of 10.
out of till today, my, this 6% filed the case. What happened, my lord, on the day of the election, my lord, 2/7/25. What happened, my lord, we proposed the name of someone, they proposed the number, and ultimately all of us members supported my signature.
Yes.
6 members on the till today they are together.
What is the procedure? Suppose if the
One time that matter page, full 46.
46 that has been followed.
Oh, kindly come.
While they all conducting this
That kind of this.
election of the president and vice president, yes, I have seen it. I know, but
And this is a provision.
what's wrong here? The
And they listen to me.
district commissioner has decided on the basis of the materials of the election conducted for the. You read it, it's okay. Please, sir, read it, it's okay.
Election of the president and vice president of the government. The deputy commissioner, all the subject officer as the case may be, shall call the first meeting of the government and the so and so on. First question, either deputy commissioner or subdivision officer, nobody else. It's the general subdivision officer. They have to call the meeting and immediately they will conduct the vote training. Thereafter, my lord, they will come to 4. The officer authorized to subsection 1. On completion of the business of the vote taking, shall call upon the members present to propose and second the name person from among the.
Anyway, sir, what is your submission? Is the motion stage, you know very well.
One name.
Hmm.
There, 4 persons, they propose one name,
Hmm.
one name and 2 names.
Hmm.
What they did, my lord, our proposal, they did not discuss anything, they ousted me, the president of the ousted the case for them. They ousted all the 6 petitioners, and thereafter they passed out this increase resolution, saying that there is no further proposal was there. This is their case.
So how do we decide?
That my lord, till today, my lord.
We'll see the records. We'll call, we'll issue notice.
Not see the records, but only case question, it is short date, my lord.
What sort then?
No, my lord, we have a case, my lord.
Yes. Who is it? You are for
The respondent number 8 here,
president.
president.
How you are elected?
Only one name is selected here. Page 25 kindly is the first meeting. Only one name on that date selected here.
It's an election or a selection?
It is selection here.
One it is serious.
Maybe selection.
that elected part.
If 2 persons name proposed, then election.
Election.
If there's one name, single name, then selection. In page 26 can be.
But the petitioners are the majority.
They are saying.
If they want to contest, if they are majority, how can you deprive them?
In the first meeting, one meeting they postponed due to they are not concerned with the election.
Okay, I heard Mr. HRA Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. A. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 14/05/2026 passed by the Co-District Commissioner. Co-District, what does it mean?
For the treatment nowadays, idea is the district commissioner. Now they are another part of subdivision type, some other.
SDC my lord is the my lord of co-district.
Yes.
Now my lord.
ADC,
Earlier is
Co-District Commissioner, Dalgaon, in the district of Darang, whereby the representation of the petitioner as regards the election and selection of the president and vice president of the against the election and selection of the respondent number 8 and 9 as president and vice president of what panchayat?
Gaon Panchayat.
5 nong Boruasar Gaon Panchayat.
Huh?
The last one.
5 nong.
Synopsis second line. Synopsis second line.
5 number Boruasar Gaon Panchayat.
Pipe number Barwa
Boruasar.
Jar Gaon Panchayat in the district of Gaon Panchayat. List of pursuant to the order of this court in past order dated this court order dated 6/2/2026 passed by this court in WPC
4895
4895
25.
of 2025. List of it is the contention of the senior counsel that the co-district commissioner has not taken into consideration of the representations of the petitioner, which is evident from the record that the district commissioner has disposed of the representation dated 25/03/2026, whereas this court has directed to dispose of the representation 02/07/2025 and 14/7/2025, on the basis of which the statements of, and also on the basis of the statements of the ward members already recorded by Artswell co-district commissioner, by providing an opportunity of being heard to all the parties. To all the parties. The stuff he contends that the petitioners are the majority members, consisting of 6 out of 10 members. List of, as per the provisions of the provisions of law, if there is a contest, if there is a contest of the president and vice president, an election requires to be conducted. List of the entire aspect, the district co-district commissioner has not considered the entire aspect of the matter. List of issue notice returned by 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
1 week, they are not getting anything. Spite of that being members, so they are not.
You will get whatever you are, you will get, you will be entitled and you will get everything as a member, not necessarily.
Already a clear man, let it be 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks, not as much.
Service complaint, my lord.
Issue notice returnable away 4 weeks.
There are so many private respondents.
3 weeks.
All, my lord, he is a clear about president.
Is only for one.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, sorry, respond number 8 only.
That is delivery.
As Mr. Mr. As Dr. London Standing Council,
1, 3, 6, and
Revenue,
PNRD.
PNRD,
And
and
for 3, 4, and 5.
Comma, Mr.
2, 4, and 5.
J. Hendricks, London State Council, and Mr.
Yes, Islam.
as Islam.
For respondent 8.
For respondent number 1 to 8. One?
I'm for 1, 3, 6, and 7.
1, 3, 6, and 7, and
2, 4, and 5.
2, 4, and 5. That's why I've said 1 to 8.
Okay.
Formal notice is
And other respondent, my lord, that.
required to
9
be served. However, extra copies be furnished to the land council for the above respondents. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice of respond number 9 to
9 to 12.
9 to 12 by registered food as well as usual process.
And it's up.
2 weeks not possible. Make it 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Hmm? Yes. We'll resume after 5 minutes.
56. Wait, Peter.
Yes.
The petitioner is an Australian national, my lord.
Hmm.
Now he is presently in India.
Hmm.
Now, kindly mark dates, my lord.
Hmm.
18/9/24,
Hmm.
he was issued visa by the government of India for a period of 5 years up to 17/9/29.
Hmm.
But my lord, there is a rule. Even if a 5-year visa is given, in a attest phase, he cannot stay for 90 days.
Hmm.
And in a calendar year, he is not supposed to stay for more than 180 days.
Hmm.
Now, on 24/1/26,
Hmm.
he entered into India, Mr.
Hmm.
And he is there till date. Now, whatever in the meantime an extension was given, initial 90 days expired on 23/4/26.
Hmm.
Therefore, on at the page 42, if a lordship will kindly come. Page 42. And you see, my lord, service granted, exit permit, exit on or before 23/5/26.
Hmm.
The lordship seen it, my lord. Somewhere in the on the top portion. Then if your lordship to kindly have a look at the date portion towards the bottom of the page on the left. Date 24/4/26. So that means my lord, last extension was given on 24/4/26. And suppose I was supposed to exit from India on 23/5/26.
On or before.
Yes. In a different matter, my lord, that I have a visa until 2029. Now, my lord, I applied for little extension for two reasons, my lord. One, my lord, I'm a basically an arm wrestler, my lord. I'm an expert in arm wrestling. I'm a commentator. I even can coach also. Anyway, my stay in the state is helping the local youth. Lord, I applied for some extension for two reasons. Number one, Lord, I have filed a defamation case against the president of the Arm Wrestling Federation, Lord. My next date is fixed on 13/7. I want to attend that and go back. Number one. Secondly, my lord, presently I am having very high 170-100. I've been advised rest also. All that I am praying for is, my lord, I need some time only, my lord, that is up to 13/7/26. Thereafter I will leave. Now, my lord, there is a my lord, guideline issued by the government of India, my lord, where on health ground, lord, some extension can be given.
Additional affidavit.
No, my lord. I'm handing over the general policy guideline. If your lordship to kindly come to second page, number 13. Procedure to be adopted in case of a foreigner on tourist, employment, business, student, research visa fall ill after coming to India. If such a visa holder is suffering from a minor medical condition which does not require hospitalization and prolonged treatment, then she will be allowed to take treatment. Further, in case of a sudden illness which requires continuous treatment of less than 180 days or stay stipulation period prescribed on visa, the foreigner can take permission for treatment from the FRO concerned by submitting a medical certificate from the government, etc., etc. So and so, FRO concerned will issue medical permit without converting the visa to medical visa. Conversion to medical visa will be required only if the treatment exceeds 180 days or the stay stipulated period prescribed on the visa. Lord, my visa I have annexed to the Lord additional affidavit, Lord. So lordship will kindly have a look. Page 51. And it's similar towards the bottom, date of issue of ETA, September 18/24, date of expiry 17/2029. Then please come to the Lord, continuous stay in India on each entry should not exceed 90 days. Then maximum stay in India in one calendar year on a e-tourist visa or paper visa shall be restricted to 180 days. Now in 2026, my lord, till date, I have only spent 137 days. That means 43 days I can still stay. So all that I am praying for is, my lord, 13/7 I'll attend my court proceeding. Meanwhile, my BP will also come down. I'll go. Then, my lord, medical certificates I have annexed, my lord. Page 40.
Are you in the hospital?
No, my lord.
Okay.
I'm not in hospital. Kindly see, my lord. Page 40. Kindly see, my lord, this was on 22/5/26. DP was 170/100. Then, my lord, if your lordship will kindly come to page 41 on 22. Initially, my lord, when I tested, it was 200/125. Then after some time, it came down to 170/100. So, my lord, my humble submission is, I think this permissible, my lord. In any case, my visa period is there. Only thing is, And my lord, most importantly, in 2025, I stayed for 243 days.
Hmm.
Now, please come to my lord, paragraph, page 5, my lord, of the petition.
You are here for what?
I'm
For-
a arm wrestling expert, my lord.
Hmm.
I've explained that in my recitals.
Hmm.
Basically, I'm an internationally renowned arm wrestler.
Your official program you have come.
Yes.
For official
Not-
program.
not Exactly official. Informal.
To promote the
Till now, my lord, government of India has not faced any guidelines. Therefore, arm wrestling is not a part of the Olympic, you know, but maybe in the near future it will. So, my lord, I have been issued a exit Quit India notice. So I'm supposed to leave India today, man.
today.
Yes. Page 45. And my lord, my application is also pending. Please come to page, anyway, my lord. First, my lord, you kindly have a look at page 45. Rian Thomas Bowen, the resident of Australia, holder of passport from Australia, is found to be in violation of Indian visa rules. Now, therefore, in exercise of the power conferred by section 7, subsection 2, clause C, read with section 59 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act, so being foreigner special relation officer, in presence of so order that you shall remove yourself from.
Have you applied for extension?
Yes, yes, Lord. And they have replied at page 47.
Hmm.
Your application is under process.
Hmm.
Page 47.
This is 8 June.
Yes. After issuance of that,
Today is 10th.
today's.
I think
Sir, my only point is-
hopefully they will.
No, my lord, but
Grant you.
otherwise I'll have to go, my lord. Otherwise they will book me under section 14.
Okay.
Only
Yes.
thing is up to 13/7, I have a, my lord,
Hmm.
case.
You want to go on 14? Yes. Goswami.
This notice.
I think his application is under process, shown to be under process by 8. This is of
It's
4th of June, and
5 days, Malak.
8 is it by page 47.
47 day after.
Your application is under process.
Then we'll say you will direct them to consider and allow to extend the visa till 13th of June. All right. Then we'll see. We'll issue notice or we'll just dispose of. What do you say?
This notice will be issued.
And some protection.
Today is today you have to leave today.
Otherwise, that.
Must be in the airport by now.
No, not India.
Okay, heard, Mister. We'll direct you to complete the process
Wow.
by today itself. There's no, I mean, there should not be any bar and allow till 13 July. Interim will say, of course, it may amount to granting the relief, but then
Having regard to the nature
full
of the
relief, yes. Anyway, and Mr. Ken Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
S. Mitra, something.
S. Mitra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. You want to say anything?
Well,
Goswami, sir.
admittedly, page 45, that was issued on 4th. Already that has expired 5 days, Malak. By now, he should have already left India.
No,
Still leave India within 5 days of receipt of this order. He might not have received it also.
I have this conflict.
5th.
It's an email, Mila.
Okay. Okay. And also, we'll say, we'll be passing an interim order. So, Mr. UK Goswami, Learned CJC, for all the respondents.
Well,
For respondents. Next para. A challenge made in this street petition is today. quit India, leave India notice dated 04/06/2026. Issued by the, passed by the Foreigners Regional Registration Officer, Gauhati, Assam. However, petitioner, an Australian national and a holder of passport number PA 777257. Page 45, huh? Is directed to leave India within 5 days of the receipt of this, receipt of the order. Mr. Next para, it is the contention of the senior counsel that the petitioner is an Australian national internet and an internationally renowned arm wrestler, commentator and promoter of the sport, who have granted multiple entry tourist visa valid up to 17/09/2019. Mr. As per the rules applicable, although the visa is valid up to 17/09/2029, a tourist or the other visa holder cannot be permitted to stay more than 90 days in a state for which the the petitioner had come to India on
24/1/26.
24/1/2026. Due to certain health issues for which the petitioner is undergoing treatment, as well as the pending case, defamation and declaratory suit case pending before the Civil Senior Division, number 1, Kamrup within Metro at Gauhati, instituted by the petitioner against the People's Arm Wrestling Federation India for publication of defamatory materials affecting his international reputation, the petitioner has applied for extension of.
My extension application also we have annexed.
Yes, where it is?
Page number 42A.
42A. Extension.
Kindly see at page 43, Miller.
When did you extend it, applied it? Extension of
26th of May. At page 42A on top right hand side.
extension of his stay
Tuesday, May 26.
on Tuesday is what?
May 26.
Tuesday is which date?
26 May.
Okay. May 2026. I thought it's a year. 26. For a period of, for a further period
Of 50 days.
of 50 days. However, the authorities concerned has not extended, but issued the Leave India notice on 04/06/2026. Not however, the responsible authority has failed to consider the prayer for extension of his stay. Then you said, however, by email dated 08/06/2026, it is shown that the application for extension of his stay is under process. List of issue notice returnable by we'll make it 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. As Mr. UK Goswami, London CGC, enters accepts notice on behalf, not enters, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be sent. Have extra copies be shown. So, one is next bit. Hard on interim prayer. Next bit. The petitioner has been granted entry tourist visa valid up to 17/09/2929, and on expiry of the stipulated period for stay in the country, the
42.
yes, the petitioner has applied for extension of his stay on account of his treatment and the
case. I have indicated both the reasons.
and the case pending before the learned civil judge senior division at Kamrup within Bracket Metro at Gauhati, which is scheduled to be fixed, which is scheduled on 13/07/2026. Next paragraph.
13 matters fixed before this High Court. Again, the injunction, they have filed an association has filed an FAO in High Court. So 13 matters fixed in High Court.
Acha. The pending so list of, and the case, the connected case which is pending before the High Court is scheduled on 13/07/2026. Next paragraph. Having no, it is also noticed that the authorities has taken up the issue of taken up the matter or extension of the stay of the petitioner, which is stated to be under process, as reflected from the reply. What is this called? 47?
Page 47.
What do we call it? Reply or what?
They have informed us
That
that our
what is
application is under process.
which is informed by through email on 08/06/2026. List of considered above, and also considering the personal liberty of the petitioner. I deem it appropriate to, and I'm of the considered view that the petitioner is I am of the considered view that an interim order is called for. Accordingly, it is provided that who is this? Who has to process?
My Lord,
It is
number 3, my Lord.
directed that in the interim, it is directed that the Foreigners Regional Registration Office. Is it office or officer?
The office.
Official, my lord.
Officer, Bureau of Immigration, Ministry of Home Office, Government Area, Dharapur, Gauhati, shall complete the process by providing an extension of the stay of the petitioner till
13/7.
13/7, 2026. List of consequent thereto the impute live-in India notice issued by the dated 04/06/2026 issued by the Foreigners Regional Registration Officer Gauhati shall remain state.
If
List after 2 weeks.
57.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, you just inform. Will you, madam, you typed it, huh? Before 2 o'clock. You communicate to the officer, office. Do it by today because today is the last day. Yes.
Where I feel this. Not the matter details, not the proposed eviction, that we may not schedule by tomorrow if we do not submit the document, then there is a, there may be evicted. This petitioner.
What is the order? Any order is there?
Yes, and page 121 below.
121.
Them by this notice, thereby inform that the allegation has been taken as therefore, you are directed to submit the appropriate supporting documents in your consideration regarding this age plan to the undersigned act. We have any objection of appropriate document for the hearing schedule at the office of the undersigned on. Hereby inform to bracket. This is proper land is specified paper. You lack appropriate documents.
When did you receive it?
We discussed it from 25/5/2026.
Hmm.
And we are also doing it this week. Now, actually, what has happened, this type of notices has been issued time to time. In our paragraph, so we can mention here. Also, just for a moment, turn to the notice. Page 19, there are 19 of my petition. I don't know, kindly turn to page 25. Paragraph 19.
Whether your representation has been disposed of or
What has happened, these types of petitioners went to the Supreme Court also, Honorable Supreme Court. And the Honorable Supreme Court has passed an order.
yes, what to do?
The earlier set of petitioners are different and these petitioners are different. This petition is premature, my lord. Kindly see page number, the notice, page 121. On 25/5/2026, notice was issued giving them 15 days time to place whatever documents they are having as regard possession of the land before the authority, so the authority can take a decision. Tomorrow is the last day.
Who has approached the Honorable Supreme Court?
They are not.
The petitioner.
No, they are not. They are not.
I have not finished my submission yet. What has happened, some of the petitioners, along with other similarly.
Some of the petitioners, not all the petitioners.
Not all the one.
Some petitioners also,
In this petition.
some petitioners have approached the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes. Similarly, stipulated persons petitioner number 1 to 27, in this petition, earlier approached before the Honorable Supreme Court, and the Honorable Supreme Court has passed an order. My lord, just for a moment, I am drawing my lordship's attention to their.
Mr. A.R. Buya, you don't evict them. Consider first, and this matter is pending. There is the order of the Supreme Court.
Kindly see, my lord.
We'll give you opportunity. Come up with
these notices were issued directing them to submit the documents. Kindly-
Yes.
Kindly see page 121. They better approach the authority with their
We'll direct
documents.
them to,
Page 121. And my lord,
you are hereby informed to vacate the said government within the specified, if you lack appropriate documents, following which legal action. This part will stay.
the action will be taken if they fail to produce the documents.
Hmm.
And my lord, 220 acres, my lord, before the Honorable Supreme Court and before the Honorable High Court earlier, the area of land was 220 acre for the solar project.
Hmm.
This land is not for that solar project. This is outside 220 acre.
Hmm.
I have taken telephonic instruction from the authority. This is not that 220 acre, my lord.
You don't have the documents.
Let them place it before the authority till now.
Hmm. Yes, yes.
Till now, I have taken the telephonic instruction. Till now, none of them have not, in response to the notices, almost 150 or 200 notices were issued. The notices here annexed are some few notices they have annexed. Nobody has submitted any response to the notices. Let them submit the response. They straightway.
May I reply to my lordship submission? What has happened? This is the fourth time we have been issued with a similar notice.
It's okay.
May I submit? Now, what the honorable apex court has said, below that, kindly turn to page 120, only 2 lines I am reading, only 2 lines. There can be no reason for doubt, and we reiterate so that to the respondent number 5 corporation is at liberty to commence the establishment of the solar project within the 220 acres of allotted land in question. However, the petitioner shall not be evicted from their dwelling until they are shifted temporarily to any government house and selling surplus land in terms of the decision already taken.
Page number.
120 I am reading, page number 120. Paragraph 7. Allowed in this paragraph 7, the honorable apex court, after considering all the materials, there can be no reason.
The problem is, are you the petitioner in this?
We are one petitioner number 127 was there before the apex court. Rest were not there.
Then we'll protect that one petitioner 1 to 27, not others.
What has happened here? We two petitioners after 27 exactly in a similar plot of land, similarly situated. Perhaps some people due to
We don't know.
minor flow.
It's not that you have not been provided with an opportunity. You submit your documents.
We are ready to submit our.
You don't have.
We have, my lord. Whatever document we have.
Appears that you don't have anything.
No, my lord, kindly appreciate one.
A sheer, simple and the encroacher.
My lord, kindly appreciate.
Simply you are an encroacher.
We are not saying that, we have a. land.
Anyway, you will issue notice, you don't evict them. We'll see.
Let them.
We'll allow you to go in the process. We'll direct them to submit whatever is there.
One aspect, Lordship may kindly consider. 220 acre, they are just mixing up.
You find
220 acre land is completely different. This land is totally different.
no.
And kindly see.
See,
they-
page 20, 120,
120.
Supreme Court has also said that you have taken a policy to shift them.
No, that is in respect of 220 acre land, which was for the solar power project. But
According to you, they are outside this.
present notices are different land. They are showing, but Lordship may observe that if it is in 220 acre for the solar power project, where the Supreme Court has given some protection, then authority is bound to do that. I have instructions that all the notices, they are outside the 220 acre.
What is the area there?
Number 3,
Sitalmari village.
It's a huge area, but this is not within that 220 acre. Lordship may.
So this dark number and all these things are not within that 220. It is outside.
This dark number,
Not in-
dark number is there, not in the notice itself.
No, it's okay. Notice is there.
If we do not come under the dark number, then this notice will not automatically.
No, I have not said so. But 220 acre is the land for the APDCL project. Well, the Honorable Supreme Court has made an observation. This land is outside, and they are in response to this notice. They are to respond to the notices. They rush to the Honorable Court. That is what my objection is. This is a premature petition. Let them respond. to
No,
the-
you have said you are thereby informed to vacate.
No,
The said
kindly-
government within
and
the space where if you lack appropriate documents,
And the next sentence, my lord.
failing which
Next
legal
sentence,
action
my lord.
will be taken against you as per government rules.
Yes, failing which legal action will be taken against them. So action will come thereafter if they can,
If they don't vacate,
if they can place that, see, these are our.
for a
documents,
timing, you don't evict them for a time being.
And let them.
We'll
let
give
them-
you a short notice.
Let them file their response. to the
Short notice. We'll direct them to
Lodging. Okay.
file whatever documents. Then till decides, till next date, we'll make it 2 weeks. Till next date, don't evict them.
But they
Don't
have.
insist them to vacate. We'll consider everything. Reason is very simple. The Supreme Court has given, if they are also petitioners,
Lordship may
some of
kindly-
them are the petitioners.
Lordship may kindly make an observation that they are outside 220 acre where the Supreme Court has passed the order. And Lordship may also say, well,
No,
we
that
will respond.
today that will be difficult.
No, that is my, no, that is my, that is, no. that is
We'll record your submission.
Yes, Lordship may. record
Heard
my-
Mr. A. R.
And-
Buya, learned senior counsel, assisted by.
Kindly,
Hmm.
one minute, Malad. Let them respond to these notices and authority will be given the liberty to take decision on these notices, on their response. Within, Malad, they were given time till tomorrow. They have not responded. Let them file their response.
Yes.
Let them file their response and let the authority take a decision on that.
Assisted by Mr. I. Hussain, learned counsel for the petition. How many petitioners? One. Petitioners. The petitioners are aggrieved by the notices dated 25/05/2026 issued by the Circle Officer, Dekiajuli Revenue Circle, whereby the petitioners are directed to submit appropriate supporting documents, like papers, as regards the claim of the petitioner upon the government land under Barchala Moja, number 3, Sitalmari village, covered by DAG number 91. Failing which to vacate the government land within a specified date. No, not failing, huh? Please stop. On you just said on 11/06/2026, list of, it is also directed the petitioners to vacate the said government land within the stipulated, specified that if they lack appropriate documents, failing which legal action will be taken against, legal action will be initiated in as per the government rules. Mr. It is the contention of learned counsel for the petitioner, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioners have been subjected to notices of evictions for which the petitioners have approached this court in earlier occasion. Please stop. He submits that some of the petitioners have approached the Honorable Supreme Court, wherein the Honorable Supreme Court has Honorable Supreme Court by an order dated. What is the order? 2603. 2025 has directed the petitioner in the said SLP and the assessment and directed the respondent authorities that the petition shall not be evicted from the dwelling units till they are shifted temporarily to government costs and selling surplus land in terms of the decision already taken by the district administration. Please do. Mr. And it is further contended that the tenor of the notice clearly indicates the intention of the respondent authorities to evict the petitioners. Although the petitioners had been directed to submit documents as regarding the proof of the claim of the petitioners of the subject land list of. Next para. Mr. Dinar, London Senior Counsel, London Senior Government Advocate, referring to the various, referring to the documents, submits that the order of the Honorable Supreme Court is in respect of the establishment of solar project within 220 acres of allotted land, wherein the petitioner in the SLP have been protected till they are shifted temporarily to any government cost and selling surplus as per the decision of the state respondents. He submits that the petitioners are not are the encroachers outside the 220 acres.
Present notices.
No, the impute notice, the present notices have been issued to the petitioners who are the encroachers of the government land outside the 220 acres of land allotted for solar project, for establishment of solar project, which is the subject matter of, which is the subject land in the SLP of the SLP, subject land of
So
the
they
SLP.
cannot claim benefit of that.
SLP, huh?
Therefore, they cannot. claim
Therefore,
benefit.
the petitioners cannot claim any protection of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court
Lodge.
list of. He further submits that the petitioners have been given a reasonable opportunity of submitting documents as hearing on 11/06/2026. However, even after receipt of the notice, they have not submitted any documents which clearly reflects that they are a mere encroacher of the government land. List of. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks, 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
2 weeks.
We'll be protecting them.
2 weeks.
Next para. As Miss MS N. Bordaloy and so, the North London Senior enters appearance and accepts notice. And all the respondents,
All.
no permit notice need be somehow accepted.
My friend appears for 2 raise.
Next para. Having considered that some of the petitioners are stated to be the petitioners and the SLP number 8330/2025, wherein the Honorable Supreme Court has protected the petitioners in that in the case by providing that the petitioners shall not be evicted from their dwelling units till they are shifted temporarily to any government cash and selling surplus land in terms of the decision taken by the district administration, and also considering that the notice, considering that the petitioner would be heard on 11/06/2026, who have already been provided, who have been given an opportunity to submit documents relating to their claim, the petitioners are directed to cooperate with the respondent authorities and submit relevant documents in regarding the proof of their claim and appear on 11/06/2026. We'll direct them to submit, comply, abide by this. And by tomorrow. Yes. Considering that the respondent authorities should consider the case of the petitioner in terms of notice, if you notice that 25/05/2026, till the returnable that the petitioners may not be evicted from their dwelling house.
But they will submit a representation. Lordship may give us liberty to pass order if they liberty.
Please, it is made clear that
liberty to the authority to pass or sticking order in respect of their responsible.
obvious, then that will be you bring that on next date.
Lordship,
There's no bar. After the consideration, you have to pass the order.
yeah, absolutely.
You bring it on the
Absolutely. And
list after 3 weeks.
just giving a date.
On
2 weeks. On 24th of June.
it's a very important area.
For the yes.
Forest land.
No, this is not a forest land.
You want to
for some project, let the instruction come.
you want to build up the
No. This is not the solar. This is not for solar. 24th of June.
this is for what? Something secret or what?
No, I'll take the instruction.
No, I'm on letter, not serious. Anyway,
24th, if possible.
24th of
June.
June.
After 2 weeks.
Can you?
Yes.
Okay, 24.
Lot. In some cases,
It will not be 2 weeks, on 24.
yes, today's 10.
Today is 10. Exact 2 weeks. Then make it 25.
25. Not
Yes.
One timing is there. I don't know, 3.
Hare.
Lordship, we have not received the instructions from the bank.
Heard Mr. So and so, learned. Your MK Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. This court, having considered the issue raised in the writ petition, has directed Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for respondent number 1 and 2 to obtain instruction. Just how about Mr. M. Sharma?
On behalf of M.
Again, you are appear. Where is Mr. Sharma? We have said invariably place the instruction. This third time.
We need one week.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Sharma, Land Council for the respondent to again placed for a week's time to obtain instructions. Considering everything. Let this letter be listed after 1 week. To place the instructions. After 1 week. 18, 16, 18. Carbon. Yes, continue.
22, 23, 24, 25, 6.
Yes.
My lord, I have communicated the order passed by your lordship. My lord, 10 days time they have shot for placing the instruction till cover, my lord. Because it is a 5 years back, the auction was held in the year 2019, my lord. It's the reason. They have to.
That's not the reason. You don't have materials.
10 days time, my lord. They shot for.
10 days. This is part hard now.
I have received the
24th, my lord.
received 24 or 25, my lord.
Then 23rd.
Then release from the part hard.
23rd, my lord.
23rd, this court will not be.
So whenever lordship 6 next.
Which Heard Mr. Ken Chodri, Land Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Or writ petitioners in WPC 3880/2029 and WPC 5660/2029. Next para. This court having considered this court on 0406/2026 after hearing the matters as part heard, directed Mr. D.K. Sharma, Land Standing Counsel for IOCL to place the details as directed by this court on 28/11/2024. However, Mr. Sharma, Land Standing Counsel seeks further 10 days time to place the details. Considering the prayer of the on the ground that since since the records is of 2019, the respondent authorities could not trace out the records list of expert considered above. And as agreed to by Land Council for the parties, let this matter be listed on 24.
24 and 25, I have the 26.
Then we'll say list after 10 days or 15 days. List after 15 days for further consideration. Matters remain part hard. Yes, this is their last order. J.N. Sayawala, Land Senior, for assisted by S.K. Sharma, Learned Counsel for 23. Item 23, 22, 24, 25. Yes.
On the best matter. Review petition 2 of 2026.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'm yet to receive instructions, Lordship.
How long?
Lordship,
How long? We'll have
2
to
weeks,
wait for
Lordship.
instruction, huh?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. What, Mr. Supongwati,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Chang,
Yes, Lordship. S. Chang.
MSS Chang. Again, prayed for. As the learned state counsel submits that she is yet to receive the instruction. Therefore, prays for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks. Yes,
Much
2
obliged,
weeks.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Hmm.
28.
Yes.
Right. Okay, amendment 5 bill, huh? Amendment 5 bill. The similar method by disputing the representation, my lord, your lordship may, in other cases, your lordship may dispute in that manner to dispute the representation.
What is the case about?
It is about the land, my lord, which are to be, my lord, considered as the tenant under the government. Similar matter, the other day you lost four matters. Same matter, the representation to be disposed of.
Same area, same place, same area.
Yes.
Which place, which area?
Allowed in Kolimgon district matter, now speaking. Representation where the deputation will dispose of, then if anything happened, then we will do the next part matter. But
This is what? Abdul Ghani, Final Ketan, Fatehpur.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Is that Fatehpur?
Here it is different words, only the Boja Patepur.
Difference is what?
The that number pattern are different. Moja is different.
And
Other everything is to be that pattern necessary order that we could start for it. Or after verifying the land report.
Karimganj. Now Sribhumi.
The representation that submitted there.
Who is petitioner?
Hello?
Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner here is the
Legal heirs of?
yeah, that is I have described in paragraph 2.
Abdul Ghani. Yes, same. Only name, the Moja number and everything.
Lordship, an affidavit was filed.
Huh.
22nd
Huh.
July. Okay, Lordship is disposing of the matter. Then Lordship, just the status, paragraph number 5, just the.
What is the status?
Just mentioned there, your Lordship, that
Pera?
paragraph number 5, page 23. Page 23, your Lordship.
No, this is page 24. As per first settlement, the schedule of provisions against so and so measuring and Abdul Ghaffur, Asan Ali, and other authorization.
Recorded name is Abdul Ghaffur, son of Asad Ali and others. After resettlement, the above mentioned old Dag, such and such has become the new Dag. Class of land is SOR. Land measuring, just the status is given, your Lordship.
Nothing.
Nothing else.
Then we'll same order. Heard Mr. B. Sina, learned counsel for the petitioner. and also had MS N. Bardole, Learned Standing Council, Revenue and Disaster Management. Correspondent number 1. And as well as Mr. J. Henry Glenn, State Council for Respondent. Same order. Only difference will be. No?
2930 of the page.
Same.
Same difference.
2930. Yes. Same. Dispose of.
Right.
Page. Oh, Mudana.
31.
The annual way. Oh, Mudana. My order. Na. Page annual. 31. Yes. Hmm.
Regarding the payment of the acquisition by the direct land purchase agreement, we had purchased the land. The amount was 3,500 something. Now they are raising the dispute and earlier the reason when purchase they are own something that's where release before certain amount. They release, I have received that amount, but remaining amount is still there. But there is the order that they have to give it an option to sue the which way they have to do for, because either they have to pay the amount or they go for a new land acquisition process. But on that issue, they have to come to all three.
2 crore 73 lakhs has been paid lot. The subsequent order we have communicated to them, but instructions they have not. Otherwise, we have
Long, more than 3 years to be completed. They have land, taken land, job paying money, then work has been executed, everything has been completed, but my money is not coming.
Executive, what kind of work?
First, I have constructed over.
Hmm?
Both.
Hmm?
Both, this is already Assam road that is being constructed over my equipment.
You are not using.
They are using
No, you are not using.
I'm not.
You are not using the road. You are not using the road. Where are you? You just keep flying or what?
They think that they told this earlier, I get that it is not a new road. After that, they have constructed.
So you don't use that road. How can be your land then?
That was the earlier mine there. That was the one side. They have acquired entire 39 acres of land that has been acquired because of that.
Your land. Your land. If it was your land, how can how you have not why you have not used that land?
Earlier,
Then how can be you the owner of that land? Hmm? Hmm. I'm asking, you don't use that road. Never you never use the your road. But sometimes maybe, but you are using the road. Say no. It's not for some the secretary or the commissioner.
That is only for the public.
It's road is not only for secretary or commissioner or chief minister or something. It's for public only, including yourself.
No, this is taken. I have
Heard Mr. P. Mohanta Learned Council for the petition. Further 3 weeks time is granted to 2 weeks time is granted to Mr. N. Goswami Learned State Council to obtain instruction as directed by this code on 21/05/2026. Right? Hmm.
First order was my loan. That is on 26.
25/1/2026.
Days down with you all.
we have communicated recently.
Who is not suffering? Who is suffering? Who would like to come to the court?
That is why we were not.
People come to the court when they suffer.
32.
Matter, your lordship.
4 weeks. Last time 4 weeks. It has been placed before that.
Time, your lordship, the ensuing elections, because of that time was sought for reassignment.
This election in Assam really deprives the public at large.
Then
Almost every day we hear that because of the election could not be done.
all the officers, they get engaged in the election duty, your lordship. That's why other works, they
And election is for what? Election is for what? To elect the people's representative. Why to elect the people representative when they are against the public themselves, people themselves? Anyway, what do you want?
Today also I have obtained instruction. I have placed a document on that.
Yes.
This stated that the new government has just been formed and the matter was processed.
Okay.
Placing
We're
it
not interested. We're not interested. Heard, Mr.
after 4 weeks.
As does Learned Council for the petitioner.
Since you're halfway done.
On the prayer of MS N. Bardole, Learned State Standing Council Revision Department, further 4 weeks time is granted to complete to obtain the instruction as regards the decision of the government. As regards the to place the instruction.
That land falls in the town area. Lord.
As
That's why
regards the allotment.
proposal for settlement of land.
As
in
regards
favor of
the
petitioner.
settlement of the land in favor of the petitioner. List of since MS Vardalai Standing Council has submitted that in view of the formation of new government, the matter shall be placed before the cabinet. And the same shall be taken up expeditiously, it is expected that on the next date, the concrete decision. It is expected the respondent authorities shall have concrete decision by the next date of listing. After 4 weeks, we'll see.
33.
Pleasure. Okay.
Again, number 33.
Lordship, kindly peruse the last order.
Yes.
Okay, today I have filed affidavit, so bringing the record of the.
Saying what?
Lordship,
You have brought on record.
yes, Lordship.
You have already filed the affidavit.
Today itself.
Saying what?
There are some reports, Lordship, the petitioner has enforced.
Joint verification was
Yes,
done.
Lordship.
So then
They come after.
it is.
Enforcing the government land, Lordship, and it is in the report, Lordship. I have also report also, Lordship, and it is during the verification petitioner also present. Lordship.
Yes. Then your petition was also present and it is found to be a
I have
government
the
land.
photographs of the Lordship.
Huh? Do you have any instruction? Once it is found to be a government land, what right you have? Who is your senior? Huh? BP? After some time, we'll dispose it off. Dismissing the writ petition. Tell him.
34.
You, Mr. Hazrika, copy of you have filed it. Do you have the copy of the affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
Just furnish extra copy, furnish extra. We will dispose of the matter. Have you furnished a copy to the,
Just
Huh?
before 1 hour, I have filed the affidavit.
that will be again difficult. Then it's better, we'll list after 2 weeks
Lordship,
or 1 week.
Lordship, 2 weeks will be very.
You evict them, what's there?
Because there was an interim order operating and due to pendency of that interim order, Lordship, our project has been stopped.
Then I heard MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner.
Let
Next
be
para, it is
let-
submitted by learned counsel for the respondents. Particularly Mr. Hazrika, PP,
HK Hazarika.
HK Hazrika, learned state counsel that an affidavit has already been filed today. Bringing on, filed on today on behalf of the state. By bringing the report of joint verification as regards the land in question, which indicates, which reflects that the land in question is a government land.
Yes, Lordship.
List of, however, MS so-and-so learned counsel submits that she has not been furnished with the copy of the affidavit of office. Considering about, let this matter be listed after 1 week.
Yes, Lordship. Next
In
month.
the meantime, Mr. Hazrika to furnish the copy of affidavit to the land counsel for the petition.
Lordship, date maybe. Date maybe.
Next week, after 1 week, we'll see.
Date,
We'll,
because Lordship, if fixed, then it will be possible, Lordship, because there is an interim order, Lordship.
then,
Our contact
then 2 weeks, give the date. Interim order pass, election continue.
Lordship, this is a national project, Lordship. Public interest is involved, Lordship. After 1 week, Lordship.
25. 25. Let them have say also. Yes. Sent for betting. Affidavit has been filed. Then what is their stand?
Stand is, my lord, it was rejected because he had not deposited the record documents along with his application.
So he has challenged the rejection.
Yes, challenged the.
Here.
He has not challenged the rejection. He said that he applied for mutation, that was not.
Unless your case has been rejected, you challenge that.
That has been rejected on the ground that certain documents or.
Any order has been passed rejecting his claim.
My lord,
Any order has been passed.
it's in portal, man. Seva Setu portal.
Where is the affidavit?
Now he has to. Now he has to apply a fresh order with the. He did not submit last revenue receipt and also affidavit.
Where it is?
No, this is my instruction.
No, you have filed an affidavit.
No, we are yet to.
Who has filed the affidavit? Yeah, additional affidavit.
Additional by the petition.
What is the additional affidavit?
Certain documents.
See, now they are saying that it has been, your application has been rejected.
Therefore, he has to.
Either you challenge the rejection or go to the authority to make up the deficiencies, like submission of required documents, whatever is required. What affidavit? You don't believe the learned senior counsel or what? You don't have any faith on him? Therefore, if we keep it pending for another 2 years, will it not be prejudice to your client? They are saying, normally we don't disbelieve the statements and the submission of the learned counsel. Yes. We'll record it and you either you challenge the rejection or you submit an application, press application with all relevant documents. Huh? Hmm?
Press application with all the required documents.
We'll dispose it of. Dispose it of. Just give me that. Heard, Mr. We'll dispose it of. Oh, you want that it should be kept pending? Huh?
Only difficulty is in vernacular, the forwarding data. Lordship may not be, may I read it? The
Read-
second page, the rejection orders are.
It's a vernacular.
No, the forwarding letter is in vernacular.
You read it in Assamese and translate in my local language.
Lordship, it says, what it says, for regarding the.
Anyway, in that case, he is also wanted to, because if it's not clear,
It says, my lord, because of he did not submit some of the documents, required documents, therefore it was rejected in the portal itself. Seva Setu portal. So
Okay.
he has to apply afresh
yes,
with all the documents.
it's in the that what you have submitted is in vernacular.
No, only the forwarding letter.
Where you are forwarding, we are not interested. You give the contents of it's in English, I suppose.
It's in.
Heard, Mister? Hmm? Yes, Islam. Yes, Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Bijay Talukdar, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. P. Who is that? P.K. Mehdi, learned counsel for the state respondents. Then you write, also heard MS N. Bardole, learned state counsel revenue and disaster management, as well as then Bijay Talukdar, senior counsel and so on. Correspondent number? Your correspondent number?
224.
224. By filing this petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the responding authorities to mutate the names of the petitioners in records of rights within bracket Jamabandi as Patadars in place of let's say Mehbubullah. Is your father? Huh? Mehbubullah. Come on. In respect of plot of land measuring 12.03, lessons covered by DAG number 3203 of KP Patta number 2294, located at Revenue Village, Barsajai, under Moja Beltola, district, dispute revenue circle, Kamrup district, Kamrup within bracket M. Asal. It is the contention of, it is the case of the petitioner that the petitioners are the legal heirs of co-patadar late Said Mehbubullah, alias Said MD Mehbubullah. In respect of plot of land measuring, same, Assam so and so. List of the predecessor interest of the petitioner that died on 21/08/2007, leaving behind the petitioners. The petitioner being the legal heirs and the co-petitioners have applied through online application to the circle officer dispute revenue circle to mutate their names in the records of right. I Jamabandi in the within bracket Jamabandi, huh? This stuff. Despite submissions of applications, it is contended that the authorities, particularly the circle officer dispute revenue circle, has not muted the name of the petitioners in the right of records. List of next para, Mr. BJ Talukdar, by placing the instruction, the state council, by placing the instruction, on instruction cover, submits that the application of the petitioner has been rejected on 16/02/2026 due to want of required documents list of next one. Having considered that the application of the petitioner has been rejected by the application for a mutation of the first land in respect of in favor of the petitioner in the rights of the course due to deficiency of inadequate documents required to be furnished by the petitioners required to be submitted by the petitioners for mutation of the land, I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition with the direction to the petitioners to submit the required documents before the appropriate authority. List of accordingly, it is directed that the petitioners shall submit the required documents.
Along with the press application.
Shall file press application enclosing with all the with all the required documents which will be required for consideration for mutation of the subject land within a period of before the circle officer dispute revenue circle.
This is through the portal, Seva Setu portal.
Okay. Through the Seva Setu portal within a period of 15 days, 20 days, 20 days from today on next para in the event No, on receipt of the application, the circle officer, dispute revenue circle shall considered and pass appropriate orders. If writ petition stands disposal.
Modified.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Who has to pay? APDCL.
Yes.
You are there ready to pay.
No, the electric inspector report, it is in favor of us.
Ah.
It is not, it is the mistake of the landowner.
Ah.
So on the last occasion, the court has asked us to file the affidavit
Hmm.
in opposition. Your Honor, we need 2 weeks time to file the affidavit.
Why you have not filed when you last were granted 3 weeks time to?
No, only.
Heard
Only last-
Mr. S.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner on the prayer of next para. S.U. Ahmed, huh? Hello?
Yeah.
Learned counsel for the next para on the prayer of Mr.
Paul.
C. Paul, learned standing counsel.
No, on appearing on behalf of KP Pathak.
Learned is appearing on behalf of Mr. K.P. Pathak, learned counsel for standing counsel for APDCL. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. Yes.
36.
Hmm. Hmm.
Page 45.
Hmm.
They have suspended by registration.
Hmm.
They have done in hotel. They have issued the notice on 4/9/2025.
Hmm.
Subsequently, they have issued a demand notice, election 8, page 29. The actual demand is page 33, they have put the demand notice. Asking me to pay almost 70 lakhs. The allegation is that I have received case credit from one of the supplier and he has not complied with the GST requirement. The report is with him, not with me. Okay?
Yes, Gogoi, similar matter has been disposed of.
No, not on this point, my lord.
Hmm.
Let him place the fact, my lord. If lordship is taking out for disposal, my lord, I will.
Again, on the same allegation, same seller, same purchaser, same transaction, same year, they have issued another suppose notice made in April, 9 April 2025, this one, election page 20. And
Same allegation.
same allegation, same fact, same,
You have availed the ITC by fraud.
no, I have applied genuinely, maybe the seller has not filed it.
Ah.
And that suppose notice was decided in my favor and order is in page 24.
Hmm.
And by that order, charges were dropped against them.
I think I'm not sure, but then I think we have disposed of a similar matter.
Regarding, my lord, dual suppose notice.
Yes, not dual course of course, but availing of ITC.
There is a recent judgment of this court.
I think based on that, I think we have disposed of.
State of Assam.
Ah,
Cited that.
molding, yes, plastic molding, yeah, or based on the division bench.
But
we
my
have
lord,
dis-
here the issue is different, my lord. I will place it, my lord. All the, my lord, SOCOs were issued, my lord, pursuant to various provisions, my lord. It's not that, my lord, on the same provision,
same.
one after another, it has been issued.
Not that. Based on this molding's case, we have disposed it of. In fact, your colleague, one of the friends, they have agreed that
Then, my lord,
it would cover. This case will cover. Maybe facts may be a slight difference, but then ultimately it's a fraudulent claim of availment of ITC. essentially.
But my lord, section 74 is very clear in that regard.
Yes,
can
that
issue
we have, I've not, this court has not considered based on this division bench judgment.
Let me, my lord, go.
Please go to it. I think we have discussed so many matters last week or this week also. Let him, we'll consider next week.
Yes, next week, Monday.
I think based on that, I don't know, you find out this, I mean, we have not rendered a specific finding
Lordship.
based on the consent and based on this judgment, division bench judgment, we have disposed so many matters. You find out.
Lordship, lordship.
You also find out.
Probably, my lord, under the central GST lordship has passed, my lord. It's a clear- Yeah, I will have the reflection.
Are you getting me, sir? What I've said is we have disposed of, this court has disposed of many matters, I mean, 3-4 matters, relying, I mean, on the judgment of division bench, which you are relying. You also find out that, right? Facts may be little different,
Yes.
but
Then
issue
Monday, my lord. Monday or anytime next week, I think.
anytime, next week, after Monday or after a week.
I leave it to lordship, my lord. No, my lord, so far as the suspension or cancellation of license is concerned, that has been dropped, my lord. If they are at next Monday.
Considering that, no, having considered that Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner, has relied on the judgment of the division bench of this court, rendered in name of the National Plastic Molding versus State of Assam. What I said?
My lord.
To projecting that that the present case would be the said judgment would be covered by the present case, comma, Mr. B. Gogoi. Let this matter be listed after a week, so as to enable Mr. B. Gogoi to go through the same list accordingly.
My lord.
15-6.
15.
15, man. 37.
Lordship, hearing this case.
Yes. Hmm? Ah. Hmm. 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 Are you ready? Hmm. We don't know. Ah. Hmm. Quite similar on that.
Lordship,
Where it is? Page?
Right.
what is your stand?
Lordship, in that case, we are not the party, Lordship. I am for respondent number 10, Lordship. For
Your respondent number?
10, Lordship, for the commandant 19 PM Battalion, PSF.
Hmm.
And as per my instruction, Lordship, because they could not provide any specific instruction, because Lordship, in the entire petition, Lordship, they have not found, or I myself have not found any specific incident that have happened. And without any incident happen, without any specific date, time, and that is without mentioning that how they can investigate what had happened, Lordship. Simply a blanket order they cannot claim, Lordship. They are seeking a blanket order that they can do anything with that order, Lordship. So, Lordship, without in the entire petition, Lordship, there is nothing mentioned that on that day such incident was happened.
Who has filed the affidavit? 2, 3, and 8.
That is the state, Lordship.
Hmm. Hmm?
Senior Superintendent of Police, Kokra. He doesn't have any specific case file. He only
Sweeping allegation.
checking.
They have the power to check the vehicles and all. Where is there any instances where huh? But no, the question is similar. There's nothing on record. There is nothing on record, no instances of harassment. Why we should also pass then, innocuous orders? Dismiss, you withdraw it. Otherwise, you will dismiss it. Huh? What is there? Nothing. You are simply saying that you have been harassed. What you will get it? What next week? Hmm?
In that case,
Instances, then it has to be amended.
yes.
No, it's better to you withdraw, will dismiss. Nothing. What is there? We are saying that police are harassing. They find that there's nothing. They have only checking is the part of their duty. What Friday? Nothing. Friday, what things will be improved? Huh? Considering the no, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition. Upon consideration of the matter in its entirety, it appears there's nothing to indicate any harassment by the authorities while during their duty, but appears to be only a sweeping allegation. List of the Mr. List of being confronted with such being confronted with Mr. What? H.R. Ahmed, Learned Counsel, press for 2 days time to press for days time to obtain instruction from the petitioner. You advise him properly, unnecessary. Don't have the tag of dismissal.
Earlier also they approached, Lordship, by filing a requisition, Lordship, that has been withdrawn, Lordship. That is page 54, Lordship.
It will be, it appears to be one of the frivolous petitions. We may think of imposing a cost unnecessary. Think about it. I'm not warning you.
Friday next, Lordship.
Friday. Day after tomorrow. Sorry. Yes.
were passed by the Honorable Court in WPT 8219 of 2019. Your Lordship, the petitioner of graduation to plan along with structures and periods were required by respondents for construction of National Highway number 27. And accordingly, land acquisition case bearing LA case number 15 of the 7 was registered. During the acquisition process, the respondents themselves conducted a joint verification and the value of these structures and periods were reassessed and the amount came to rupees 14,81,344. However, out of the said amount, only rupees 1,80,644 was paid, and the rest is still due. Therefore, right by the compensation, the petitioner approved this had earlier filed a writ petition.
Basically, you want that the order of this court has to be implemented. So is it the writ petition is proper? Is an appropriate remedy? You want that it should be enforced. You want that the order of this court has to be enforced. Therefore, you are seeking execution of the order of this court by this writ petition. Is it permissible? That has already been directed. So if it is not complied with, what is the remedy? What is the remedy? No, when the order has already been passed, relief has been granted, direction has been passed. If the authorities doesn't comply with, what is the remedy? Obviously, it's not a writ petition. It will not be a writ petition. What is mandamus? Tell us, enlighten us. What is mandamus? We have already commanded. We have already commanded. The only issue is they have not complied. So if it is not complied, what is the remedy? Then yes, Mr. Hazrika. There is a direction and they have filed the application. Why don't you, why the deputy commissioner is not, collector is not making a reference?
In this regard, we have made communicate to the respondent authority in 2 times. But it is.
Sir, with due respect, since last 2 weeks, other than the submission that you have communicated, you have been deprived this court to have the privilege of audience to the learned government advocate. Other than this submission, I have not heard anything.
Our duty is to communicate to the respondent.
Your duty ends there. The moment you communicate, it ends there. In all the cases. I just wanted to know from you, as if your duty is to just communicate and matter ends there. And then you keep submitting that we have communicated, How the justice will be, how the justice will be dispensed with like this?
One last opportunity maybe.
What is the matter about? Have you understood?
Yes, Lordship, non-compensation of the land acquisition.
So is the exact issue involved is what? What is the exact issue here?
As per the section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act, one reference may be made by the respondent authority.
Then,
but the respondent authority has not made the references. So the petitioner is here before petitioner will go through.
your simple instruction ought to have been whether the petitioner has filed an application for reference, whether this has been references made or not.
Or not. Okay.
Why? If not, why?
In this regard. also,
That
we
you could have
communicated
obtained
also.
instruction over the telephone also. It doesn't make any difference.
Also, I have maybe allot 10 days time at least, so I will inform.
Next week, after a week, we'll see. You obtain, if not in writing, you just obtain over the telephone,
Yes.
via email. Which district?
Kamra Metro. also. Not more than 10 kilometers.
Huh?
Not more than 10 kilometers. from here.
Why 10 kilometers? Sir, I'm surprised.
Yes, sir.
Kindly, not in only this case. But madam, we also think about it. I'm not inclined. We know that there may be a violation, but already a court has granted. Why you should pass order one after another? Not MS so learn counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. S.K. Hazrika, Lord State Council, list this matter after a week so as to enable him to obtain instruction as to whether the petitioner has filed an application for reference in terms of the reference or and whether the if application is filed, whether the reference has been made. If not, why? If not, if not, the reason for not making a reference in terms of the order passed by this court in the earlier round of litigation, Mr. List accordingly. Sir, kindly.
Okay.
39,
Jarbura.
May I please allow you?
Yes.
Here in this case, we have received the instruction, Your Lordship. Received the instruction, Your Lordship.
Saying what?
Instruction. we
What
received-
is the instruction?
Sir, voluminous instruction, Your
Hmm?
Lordship. 4 pages instruction, Your Lordship.
Voluminous.
Yes, Your Lordship. Let me allow the file affidavit. Your Lordship.
Surprising. You call it a voluminous?
Oh, Your Lordship.
It's not.
Huh?
Not 4 page.
It's not very legible. We have to take a fresh copy.
Say no legible, not voluminous.
Then we'll file it.
You change the meaning of the voluminous in the dictionary. We'll have to refer it to again to the Oxford for changing the definition of voluminous. Anyway, and Mr. Learned Counsel, Mr. Mehdi, Mr. J. Mehdi,
Yes, Lord.
Learned Counsel, State Council,
Lordship.
submits that although he has received the instruction, same is not legible, therefore press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks so as to enable 3 weeks so as to enable him to obtain the legible the instruction, the legible instruction, and to obtain the instruction. No, to obtain the legible instruction.
Lordship.
40,
This is one of the batch of repetitions
Hmm.
where the subject matter is common.
where we have we have prepared a consolidated affidavit and we have sent it for vetting. So I pray that this matter may come up after 2 weeks, man.
Okay. Heard Mr. MH Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, Mr. A. Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel, revenue
Yes.
and disaster management, submits that affidavit has been sent for vetting. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter. After 2 weeks,
Yes.
3 weeks,
2 weeks.
after 3 weeks, present list after 3 weeks.
It may be along with the reference of my daughter.
List along with WPC
4181 of 2020.
4181 of 2023.
Much obliged.
41.
Right, please, your Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of M. Sharma. Lordship, we have not got the instruction from the bank till yet. Lordship, we need 2 weeks time to get the instruction.
You have obtained, you have received the instruction. Heard MS? P. Adhikari, learned counsel for the petition. Next para, Mr.
A. Hussain on behalf of M. Sharma.
A. Hussain, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Sharma. For learned counsel for the respondent bank.
Yes.
Respondent bank. Press for is granted for the 2 weeks time to obtain instruction. List after 2 weeks. Again, supplementary.
Make it please, your Lordship. Lordship, this matter had come up on the 8th of this month, 8th of June. I had prayed for some time and the matter was fixed on 15/7 thereafter. But inadvertently, an error occurred on my end that I failed to place this, that there was an interim order in favor of the petitioners.
We'll say heard MS so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. And T for Tripura or Tirupati. Tirupati will be more appropriate. Tirupati. Learned counsel for the petition and Mr. N.R. Surana, learned counsel for the respondent number?
Respondent number 2.
2. Why interim order? You are respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
Interim order in your favor.
No, the interim order in our favor, but I was the one who had sought consent and took time from this honorable court. So, Lordship, I am before you.
So
because it's a demolition order,
so fair.
Lordship, it was an error on my end, so
I have come across for the first time in my entire,
No, Lordship, since I had sought consent, it was my duty to.
That's why I'm saying they are so fair. In this age and time, who would do that?
Lordship, it was an error apparent on my part.
Okay, interim order passed on
12 to 26.
12 to 26 shall continue. We'll just simply say. List after?
No, it was already fixed on 15/7.
List,
For the previous
list
order.
on 17.
15/7.
15/7/2026.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Alternative 42.
This is what? Two 2008 matter. Where is B. Gogoi? Additional Advocate General. Can you find out some B. Gogoi? There's a reason. 2008 matters. There's a long history. Kindly call him.
43, 44, 44.
IA forward, sir.
For appointment of a commission for ascertaining a particular facts. It's a life and death for me. The petitioner, because purchase a plot of land in Australia, can be page 80. Plot of land.
Will issue notice, see, we'll see. We'll issue notice and we'll see.
This is a matter, my lord, where he has, my lord, enforced over government lands, my lord. And the government also has objected, my lord, and the government has served an eviction notice against which he has come up before this court, my lord. And now, my lord, he wants, my lord, an advocate commissioner for the purpose of, my lord, ascertaining the boundary and whatever, my lord, we'll file an objection to that, my lord. Lordship may give us 7 days time, my lord. I am appearing for respondent number 4, my lord.
Respondent number 4?
4, my lord.
Who is respondent number 4?
Respondent number 4, I am a resident of the locality, my lord, and I have been aggrieved, my lord, because of the, my lord, encroachment of the public road, my lord, by, my lord, the petitioner, my lord.
So petitioner has, applicant has encroached the public road.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
The lordship kindly see page 1, page 55.
Sir, we'll give them a week's time to file objection.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll heard Mr. B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. H.R. Das, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Next para, decision application. Praying for appointment of a commission for making local investigation of the physical position of the subject of the subject land list of issue notice returnable 2 weeks. We'll make it 2 weeks.
Yes.
Returnable by that will pass in the thing. Pass returnable by 2 weeks. As Mr. We're chairman of Land Advisory Committee.
That was struck out, my lord.
Huh?
We are striking out.
That was struck down.
Okay.
Actually, he has to file an amended application.
And Mr. One is N. Bardola Learned State Council, Standing Council Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Mr. J. Hendy, Learned State Council, and for respondent 1, 2, and 3, and Mr.
G. Chaudhary for
G.
respondent number 4.
Chaudhary, Learned Council for respondent number 4, enters applicant accept notice on behalf of all the respondent, no formal notice need be served. Next period. List after 2 weeks. In the meantime, the respondents may file their objections, if any.
Right.
In writ petition, interim order pass, heard so and so, huh? You are also respondent for.
Yes.
Same interim order list after 2 weeks, list interim order passed earlier shall continue.
And 56.
This for
Respondent number 5.
you will dispose of this, no
Yes,
issue.
yes.
Heard Mr. B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, Assistant by Insurance, and the counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. Again, all of them, huh? For his respond number 4, huh? This is an application praying for striking out of the respondent number 4, number 5 in the connected WPC 4456 of 2021. List of next paragraph. It is submitted by the learned senior counsel, the applicant, that the respondent number 5, I, Chairman, Land Advisory, Assam Land Advisory Committee, comma, Kamrup within bracket M, Metro Gauhati, no longer exists, therefore, the respond number 5 is not required to be a party respondent in the connected writ petition. Next paragraph. Having considered that the respondent 5 is no longer in the respondent, the office of the chairman so and so appears to be not in existence. Chairman so and so, Assam so and existing, and is agreed to by land council for the parties. I deem it appropriate to allow this application by striking out the name of the respondent 5, i.e. Chairman, Assam Land Advisory Board Committee so and so, from the area of parties, respondents as area of parties as respondent 5 in the connected. As such, the name of the respondent 5 stands struck off. IA stands allowed and disposed of.
I'm the global.
Whatever.
Timing 42.
What is 42?
My lord, in this, I also that,
42.
my lord, in this case, my lord, that orders have just been passed. In this, I also, my lord, when notice was issued for 2 weeks, there also the respond number 5, this respond number 5 has been, my lord, included. So that also, my lord, we may make a prayer to strike out that name also, my lord. No, you just say. Also, in that, I also
No.
said-
In that case,
Yes.
in writ petition, in view of the order passed in IA, and registry to do the needful,
In the IA number
deleting the name of the respondent 5 in the writ petition,
IA number
as well as IA number, first IA
1948 of 2026.
1948 of 2026. Huh?
42.
Mr.
See, it's of 2008 matter,
Lordship, it was Lordship.
perhaps one of the oldest matter.
Yes, Lordship, there's a order, Lordship, where amount of 5,000 was to be deposited by
Yes.
that
Whom to pay?
Lordship, that we do not have any specific, Lordship. State legal aid services can be.
Where is the order? Where is the order for payment?
Lordship, that there is an Lordship, if I can just get a. there
You examine it, whom to pay and whom not to.
Lordship,
List after a week.
Lordship,
Non appears for the parties on call
Lordship.
and the petitioners on call. Huh? Next para, Mr. On the prayer of Mr. A. Sali, Leonard Standing Council, Finance Department.
No, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi. He is
Appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, Additional Advocate General, to examine the matter, as the matter is pending since 2008, as regards the for restoration of the writ petition. Restoration of the writ petition and for payment of cost
That,
imposed by the court.
that had to be
Ah,
paid
you
by.
examine, and last
Yes.
time also big away has taken
Yes.
time.
Yes, Lordship, here is state legal, the issue is the petitioner.
Okay. After a week.
Lordship.
45.
Heard MS so and so learned cons. Your name, please. B.S. Oja, learned counsel for the petitioner. Office note dated 20, peruse the order of the Lazima Court dated 21/01/2026. Service in respect of respondent number 2 is completed. List for admission after 3 weeks.
46.
Huh? On the prayer of Mr. Huh? A. Alim Sheikh, learned counsel for the further 2 weeks time is granted to file amended cost data. List after 2 weeks.
17.
And Mr. N.K. Alam.
Lordship, I have agreed for the respondent number 2.
And also learned counsel for and Mr.
A. Hussain.
A. Hussain, learned counsel for
Respondent number 2.
respondent number 2. Service is complete. List for admission after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
49.
Office note dated 05/06/2026 indicates reflects that the service in respect of respondent number 7 is complete. List of as regards respondent number 10, although neither the ID card nor any answer notice has been received, the postal consignment reports indicates that the same has been delivered to the addressee in Babu. The service in respect of respondent number 10 is deemed to have been completed. List for admission after 4 weeks.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 7 and 1. On behalf of
Mr.
Mr. S.K. Medis.
Your name, please.
K.K. Medis.
K.K. Medi. Darling Council appears for respondent 1 and 10.
1 and 7.
So 1 and 7, yes, is present. Land Council for respondent 1 and 7 is present. Huh? Yes.
50.
On the law, and accordingly, text has been taken. And also, the state has been reached for all the respondents. But in that, lordship, no reply has been filed by any of the respondents.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
3 weeks time may be given to file it.
Hard MS. Dr. Ahmed, Land Council for the petitioner. Next pair on the prayer, Mr.
N.M. Datta.
N.M. Datta, Land Council for respondent number 2 and 3.
Lordship.
List this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition. Yes.
61, fifty-one,
Yes. No affidavit.
Look, we have received instructions in the matter. We'll be
And
filing-
MS F. Sorry, learned counsel for the petition as sought for by Mr. A. Bhattacharya,
Right.
learned standing counsel,
Revenue.
Revenue Department, and
Miss AJ, on behalf of detail.
you are also seeking,
For respondent number 2.
you want to file affidavit? No, no, for the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit of position. MS
AJ,
AJ, learned counsel,
on behalf of.
appearing on behalf of Mr.
Bideka,
B. Dekar, learned counsel,
for CGC. Respondent 2.
learned CGC is present.
62,
Right.
Hmm.
Let's say I'm appealing for the respondent number 6.
Yes, what is to be done?
Kalama and T allow to 3 weeks time to file our affidavit.
Heard Mr. HR Das, learned counsel for the petitioner.
P-Bola.
On the you have you file you don't want to file. Hmm. Who is respondent number 3? Huh?
Registrar of Foreign Societies. Foreign Societies Department.
It's okay.
Perhaps that can be, because we have not taken steps.
You furnish the copy to him. Hmm. On the prayer of Mr. N. Goswami, Learned State Council, and Mr.
P-Bola.
P. Bora, Learned Council for respondent number
6.
6. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Apply.
63,
But in this case, we will file a petition by tomorrow, not if very long.
What is the matter about?
But it's not regarding knowledge fire. The police and personnel also actually to the whole plan of the respondent.
Law has been changed now. Heard Mr. J. Singh, Learned Counsel for the petition. Next para. Mr. N. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the Learned State Council submits that
By
he
tomorrow,
would be filing the affidavit
by tomorrow.
by tomorrow,
Okay.
i.e.
What's it? 11, 6.
6/20/26. Please, in be above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Notification.
After 2 weeks, we'll simply say.
after 59,
Yes. Hmm. Respond number 4. Hmm. Heard MS? MS? A. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Services in respect of respond number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3 have are deemed to have been completed. List of and ever service in respect of respond number 4. List after 3 weeks. You are appearing for?
Lordship, I'm appearing for Assam Tea Corporation. I
Mr. MS
M. Kolita.
M. Kolita, Learned Counsel for respondent number
Want all the respondents?
For respondents, no, not all the. 1, 2, 3,
I can take for 4 also, Your
4
Lord,
also.
because it falls under respondent number 1 only.
Okay, appears for all the respondents, list of, is present in view of the appearance
Also, we have received the paragraphs.
and in view of the appearance of the respondent. No, then we'll start, huh? Services completed. You delete all, huh? Heard MS so and so, huh? Then you write MS so and so.
Kalita, Your Lord.
M. Kalita Learned Council appears for all the respondents.
I have
Next
received the
one.
paragraphs and be filing an affidavit. with
Next one, this one, who submits that she has already received the para's comment to which she would like, not para, received the instruction to which she would like to bring on record by filing affidavit. Therefore, prays for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed. This after 3 weeks.